आप लोगों ने जब शुरू किया कैरियर सबसे पहली क्या पेचेक था?
6,000 per day.
मेरा कमर्शियल पहला 25K था, पर आई डोंट रिमेंबर कि उस वक्त मैं लीड करी थी, तो मुझे थोड़े से मनीस मिल रहे थे,
But per day, what was that?
I don't remember. My mom does all that shit.
Okay. Have you guys ever thought of leaving Pakistan?
Yes.
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 मुझे अगर मौका हो और दस्तूर हो तो मैं कल चली जाऊँ। कोक स्टूडियो जब आया तो पूरा सीजन देख के मेरा पूरा फेथ रिवाइव हो गया पाकिस्तानी टैलेंट पे।
I love our talent here. I mean, look at the people on this table with me. There's so much potential over here.
I think a hybrid model is nice. Living Bahar is like good for your soul.
It is.
You can walk on the streets and
Literally,
not like
yeah.
mingle here.
आपने ड्रामा बना लिया, you don't know वायरल हुआ नहीं हुआ, YouTube views.
YouTube से कितना रेवेन्यू जनरेट हो रहा है, हमें कुछ नहीं मिलता
But there is like zero.
Zero.
Actors who've gotten old and they have given years and years of service to the industry. Naila Jafri, I think she got cancer and then she didn't have enough money to even pay for her treatment. कल को कोई मर गया सेट पे या कुछ भी और हो गया. There is no insurance नहीं ये कोई old looking body नहीं कुछ भी.
I'm trying to sing jazz as well, but मुझे पता है कि यहाँ पे jazz नहीं चलेगा, because यहाँ पे jazz लोगों को समझ में नहीं आएगा, उनके दिमाग में PC music चलेगा. मैंने उर्दू में jazz music अपना निकाला है. I mean, I'm coming.
उर्दू में?
Yes.
Very nice. Okay.
It's very इंतहा हो गई इंतजार की.
अगर आप लोग थोड़ा सा इंट्रोड्यूस मुझे करवाओ और इन अ सेंस के आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट यू गाइस और 18 से 20 साल का एक बच्चा अगर ये डिस्कशन राउंड टेबल पॉडकास्ट देख रहा है सो हाउ वुड यू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ सो मे बी वी कैन स्टार्ट
आई एम एन एक्ट्रेस और मैंने अपना करियर तकरीबन 8 साल पहले शुरू किया. मेरी बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है कि मैं किस तरह से मैंने एक्टिंग शुरू की और सब कुछ किया. सपोर्टिंग कैरेक्टर्स से शुरू किया और इंटरेस्टिंगली आज भी सपोर्टिंग कैरेक्टर्स ही कर रही हूँ. आई लव एक्टिंग और डांस का मुझे बहुत शौक है. इन्फ्लुएंसर बन गई हूँ, नहीं चाहती थी कि कभी बनूंगी, लेकिन एक तरह से ऐसा हुआ कि बन गई और उसका भी बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है और आई एम एंजॉइंग अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. एक्टिंग भी, थोड़ी बहुत मॉडलिंग भी और अब इन्फ्लुएंसर बनने के बाद भी जो फीडबैक मिलता है चीज़ों का उसमें बड़ा मज़ा आता है. सो या इट्स गोइंग गुड अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
कूल. Meher?
So my name is Meher Jafri. I am a director and producer and actor both for film and theatre. Acting तो हमेशा से ही करती आ रही हूँ, लेकिन I set up my production company 2010. I made my first feature film 2012 is when it released. Seedlings in English and Lamha in Urdu. And it had Mohib Mirza and Amna Sheikh and Gauhar Rashid's first ever screen role.
और host ये
Usman Riyaz's first ever score for a film. So we had some amazing talent.
और host कहाँ हुई है?
यहाँ कराची में रिलीज हुई थी, इस्लामाबाद में रिलीज, लाहौर में.
I think festivals में
Festivals में the premiere was in New York. There was a festival in New York that selected us, where Amna won the best lead actress and the film won the best audience choice award. So that was kind of the beginning of the Khul Jana for us. Phir it went to DC SAF, which is in DC. There's a South Asian Film Festival. It went to Vancouver, VISAF, the Vancouver International South Asian Film Festival. It went to the SARC Film Festival, which actually the Ministry of Information of Pakistan, they selected it and submitted it as Pakistan submission. And we won Best Lead Actor and Best Feature Film there also.
Okay.
And then DC SAF we also won. So we won all of these awards is what helped us then release it over here a year later. Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah.
My name is Noreen Gulwani. I am an actor primarily. I've done theatre. I also studied theatre. I started from there. Here I went into TV. I've also done 2 films and a couple of TV projects.
Interesting. Sila?
My name is Anzala Abbasi. I am a singer, I'm an actor, and I'm a model. I kind of grew up in the industry because of my parents, because बचपन से बस exposure था, तो सीखने को बहुत कुछ मिला, बहुत सारे लोगों से interactions हुई हैं. So I feel like I've always kind of been in the industry, even if I didn't want to be. And जहाँ तक acting की बात है, I was doing a lot of acting बीच में, but then मैंने छोड़ दिया था because मुझे थोड़ा सा restrictive feel हो रहा था अपने लिए, because I'm a very expressive person generally. So I felt like कि modeling और music मेरे लिए ज़्यादा impactful था for my own personal creativity. So I'm working on that at the moment. And recently I went for Miss Universe Pakistan. That was really good. We competed. Yeah. And I got third.
Oh.
Which was great. Yeah, it was a lot of fun. Thank you. And yeah, and the experience was great. The girls were amazing. The team was very good. Overall, it was a very, very good experience. And inshallah, I would actually like to compete again, maybe. Because bahut maza aaya.
Amazing.
So yeah, that's me.
So tell me, like, why do you guys want to be in this industry? Like, why entertainment? Why not like?
I always wanted to be an actor. मुझे परमिशन नहीं थी घर से और घर में मेरे एक्टर्स मौजूद हैं. मेरी अम्मा, मेरे भाई, मेरी भाभी सभी एक्टर्स हैं ऑलमोस्ट. बट मुझे ऑनेस्टली परमिशन नहीं थी क्योंकि मेरी पढ़ाई ऐसी थी. सो अम्मा का हमेशा से ये था कि नहीं, पढ़ाई पहले पूरी करनी है. और जो मैंने डेंटिस्ट्री की है, सो जो मसाइल हैं इस इंडस्ट्री में वो बहुत अच्छी तरह जानती थी. उनके कंसर्न्स अपनी जगह बिल्कुल ठीक थे कि मैं नहीं चाहूँगी कि तुम एक्टिंग की तरफ आओ और ये सारे काम करो. लेकिन मुझे हमेशा से पता था कि एक ना एक दिन ये होना है और मैंने हर चीज़ साइड में करके एक्टिंग शुरू करनी है. और लकीली मुझे हस्बैंड ऐसे मिले इतना सपोर्टिव. उनको खुद को एक्टिंग का इतना शौक था तो उन्होंने कहा तुम भी शुरू करो, मैं भी शुरू करता हूँ. सो दिस इज हाउ आई गॉट इनटू एक्टिंग. और अब फाइनली मैं एक्टिंग कर रही हूँ और मुझे यही एक था कि करना तो एक ना एक दिन यही है. कमर्शियल से आई स्टार्टेड, उसके बाद फिर एक्टिंग शुरू
हुई. बट व्हाट वाज द इंस्पिरेशन? एक तो यू सेड ना कि घर में भी वो था,
इंस्पिरेशन
बट व्हाट वाज
अम्मा
लाइक?
थी क्योंकि वो प्रोसेस हमेशा से देखा था. एक्शन कट का जो प्रोसेस था, ड्रामे जिस तरह बनते थे, हमारे घर में भी बहुत सारी शूट्स होती थी.
She's a TV actor?
She's a TV actor.
Okay.
सो घर में शूट्स होना, घर में सेलिब्रिटीज़ का आना, बड़े बड़े नामों का आना जाना, उनसे इंटरेक्शन, तो वो प्रोसेस बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग लगता था हमेशा से. और ये होता था कि यार इसका हिस्सा बनना है एक ना एक दिन. इजाज़त नहीं थी, पता था बड़ी दूर है ये चीज़, लेकिन हो ही गया. सो दिस इज हाउ आई बिकेम एन एक्टर. या
Interesting. And for you?
I think I always was drawn to the performing arts, arts in general. I was not allowed either to study it. Also, I studied business. I worked in development for the first few years after bachelor's.
Development sector? Or
Development sector, low income housing. I used to work for this project called, a company called Acumen Fund in Pakistan. Unki low income housing sector. That's what I did my thesis at in university on Khuda Ki Basti, Urangi pilot project. And was very passionate about. I said, if I'm going to do business, I'm the type of person who has to work in something that I care about. That's a advantage and disadvantage in different circumstances. But तो मैंने वो किया. Land बहुत politicized है पाकिस्तान में, तो वो बहुत मुश्किल होने लगा वो project. And then I said, I'm going to do what I've always wanted to do, which I never had permission to. And in fact, severe backlash against it. Like, you're going to fail. This is not going to work. Like, there's no industry in Pakistan. Film क्या चीज़ नहीं. Theatre तो मैं हमेशा side पे कर रही थी और करती आ रही थी. तो
theatre was allowed.
Theatre was something that I did while I did.
All right.
My
As a
other
hobby,
work.
it's okay.
As a hobby, it's okay. Even that was not like my mother's side was okay. My dad never really liked it. But wo phir, you kind of just, as long as you're showing up for something else, not encouraged, let's say. And then I said, I'm gonna do what I've always wanted to do. If I was going to move to Lahore at some point because the project that I was working in, sorry, I'm boring you with the details, but in housing, it was so politicized. That was the year that Parveen Rahman was also killed, so it was just not a good space. हमें government से subsidized land नहीं मिल रही थी. That's the only way you can expand your project. And development became really difficult. I realized the kind of, the passion you go into it with. We all know the system and how it's unfortunately not working the way that it should. So I said, if this is how it's going to be, then I might as well just give it my all for something that I've always wanted to do. And I've always wanted to do film. Theatre was the genesis of that, yes, for sure. I wanted to then get into directing. I was always acting. So that's what got me to do it. And I would say, there comes a time and a place where you have people around you that then, like-minded people, that then it becomes easier. So I found somebody who became my partner in my film company. He was the writer of the first script that we then made into this film. Like I said, Gahor came for a casting and I was like, you're amazing. And Amna and Mohib, they were already established in television. But
everything fall into place.
They came, they auditioned for us. They were amazing and we were nobodies. And, Usman Riaz, we had seen his stuff on Facebook and YouTube. Uska shayad koi TED talk nikla hoga. And then he said, I'll do the musical score. He was 19 years old. So it was a lot of hard work, but it came together I think because of the passion of others and like-minded people, then yeah.
Marine, आपका तो बिल्कुल भी कोई family background या वो context पीछे कुछ भी नहीं था.
No,
So
not at
why
all.
entertainment? And you did a little bit of journalism as well.
I did study journalism and then I did my internship in it as well. And that's when I realized that it's not for me.
But journalism पढ़ी क्यों? Like
पढ़ी क्यों? अम्मा अब्बा ने kind of पढ़ाई.
वो तो डॉक्टर इंजीनियर नहीं बनाते अम्मा अब्बा ज़्यादा.
हाँ, that's true. So because before I went for my journalism degree abroad, I was here in Zabis doing social sciences, which was kind of like the humanities part of the studies. वो बहुत wholesome सा होता है, उसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें included होती हैं. So then you can choose on towards the end of your third year whether you want to go into arts or media or like sociology or journalism. वो सारा उसमें कुछ होता है. But I didn't know उस वक्त तक what I wanted. What happened was I didn't finish my Zabist social sciences degree. I ended up going abroad for journalism because I wanted to be a writer उस वक्त, and I wanted to be into creative writing actually. So the fiction side, not reporting and all. But somehow the university that my friends were in was the thing that my father thought is the safest option कि कोई है वहाँ पे जो ख्याल रखेगा और सारा कुछ. This was in Malaysia. तो हाँ, अब वहाँ पे उन्होंने भेज दिया and I was too young to realize कि शायद ये मुझे बाद में करना भी ना. I was like, okay, let's explore this और अगर ये अच्छा जाता है तो ठीक है. So I did that entire degree. I came back, I did my internship. I didn't really like it. And then I tried out some other fields. So I worked in advertising agencies. I did some event management. I worked in fashion for a bit. They were all interesting and like, you know, even fun. But they weren't like holistically fun. Like journalism is like more in the head, and then fashion is a lot about aesthetics, and then event was a lot of like energy and like bahar nikalna and stuff. But like I just felt interested in acting and I was like chalo isko ek try dete hain. So I went to Napa and I did their like 3-year diploma and I didn't get bored of it, to be honest. Like that's why I've stuck out. Because,
so that's the second technically degree which you did, right?
Yeah, because yeah, it was a very like I was pretty old by the time I got done with it. Like I was in my late 20s already. जब मैं वहाँ से नहीं, I was like यार अब इतनी लेट मैं फील्ड में आई हूँ, अब क्या होगा, काम मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, शक्ल पे कौन सी एज आ रही, because it's so like people are so finicky about that here. But वो हो गया and I'm just sticking with it because मुझे अभी तक तो मज़ा आ रहा है. And you get to exercise a lot of different parts of your personhood, from your mind to your heart, emotions, soul, body. सब कुछ use होता है, so it's fun that way.
Like why people come to like this? And like, is it like money? Is it fame? Is it like I want to be famous?
I would
think,
say
yeah, to a certain extent.
No, I said
maybe.
it's definitely not money to start with.
Yeah,
I think
exactly.
you
I
initially
was
come
gonna say
with the thought of like
primarily
money. But then, you know, and you come with the thought of like, oh, I'm going to be famous one day. But then you don't realize how much hardship there is in this kind of work. There's going to be times where you don't have a job. You know, like if you're just an actor, आपको एक सीजन आएगा जब आप बहुत ज़्यादा काम करेंगे and then एक सीजन आएगा जब आप नहीं काम कर रहे होंगे बिल्कुल भी, and that's going to take a toll on you because you don't have the money to then survive, you know. And especially, you know, I think being in this industry as a woman is just generally, I feel like for me personally, like the reason why I didn't stay with it was because the drama industry is a little toxic for my liking. I just feel like कि हमारे characters थोड़े बहुत misogynistic viewpoint से लिखे हुए होते हैं, in the sense कि ओ लड़की ये नहीं कर सकती, लड़की वो नहीं कर सकती और ये वो. And Meher and I was just talking about this in the car कि मुझे लग रहा था कि मैं बहुत एक box में मुझे बंद कर रहे हैं. I didn't want to be confined into one character क्योंकि मेरे सारे characters बस वो थे कि ओ अच्छी लड़की है, you know, अच्छी लड़की है मगर जुल्म बर्दाश्त कर रही है. Like I don't want to be that person, you know. And for me to kind of move away from that was a really good thing for me personally because मैं अपने आप को explore मैंने, and plus I was really young when I got into it, तो मुझे time ही नहीं मिला to explore the things that I wanted to do and the things that I was interested in. And the way that I started was really funny because at some point my mom and I moved to LA and I was going to school in LA and it was really great. But when you came back, technically मुझे college में होना चाहिए था, but the school system was like, नहीं आप O levels करें वापस. And I was like, I don't want to do it. And she knows how much I hate studying. Like, and kids study, okay, but don't look at me for inspiration. But like, I did not enjoy studying. I have dyslexia. मुझे बस नहीं मेरे दिमाग में वो बातें रुकती थी. And you know, when I finally failed my O-level exam, my mom turns to me and she's like, तुम्हें नहीं पढ़ना? And I was like, नहीं. And she's like, तुम्हें क्या करना है? I'm like, think कर लूँगी. And she's like, fine. So I did a drama. My dad was really against it at some point, but then like he saw that I was doing work and stuff, so he was okay with me. But then, you know, it was really difficult for me to keep myself in that situation because मेरी individuality मर रही थी.
Because आपको एक certain image भी रखना पड़ता है
Exactly. And then I
social
felt
media
like,
पे भी.
and I felt like now and I was telling Meher, I was like, I felt like the masses now owned me and they confined me in this box that I'm not, you know, and I've very actively tried to make sure that I'm not portrayed as that girl. And I'm sure that there's a lot of people who can relate to that ladki, but that's just not me. And I don't want people to relate to my character who's going through so much in her drama wali life ke saas bhi बदतमीजी कर रही है, ससुर भी बदतमीजी कर रहा है, ये भी हो रहा है, वो भी हो रहा है. हम औरतों को इतना grace ही नहीं दे रहे हैं कि हम उनको we let them step out of that and we let them take control over these things and we give them the power to be themselves and to kind of explore their power within like the dynamics of like family and women and all of these things. So mera ye personal like masla tha thoda sa.
I remember when I was studying film, so I did my masters in film. So
From?
मेरा bachelor from London.
Okay.
So मेरा journalism में multimedia था. फिर मैंने कहा like let's just try like film or TV or like documentary, you know. So वो तो film was too complicated for Pakistani market देख के I was like this is not something like I want to do. So then I moved on documentary. But when I was studying film, so मैं बहुत ज़्यादा मैंने Iranian cinema पढ़ा, French cinema हमने बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ा और उसकी theory से लेके Hitchcock से लेके like you know like. But जब पाकिस्तान में आके even आप पहले भी dramas देखते थे, जो बात आपने की कि जो characters हैं ख़वातीन के अब ये लोग कोई आम बंदा नहीं कैरेक्टर्स बना रहा. लेट्स से कि ये मैसेज नहीं बना रहे ड्रामास, ये बना रही हैं प्रोग्रेसिव लिबरल प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस, प्रोड्यूसर्स, डायरेक्टर्स, बिजनेस वुमेन. एक साइड पे आप देखते हैं कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा वुमेन राइट्स, और फिर जब आप ड्रामास आते हैं तो आपको लगता है कि यार मतलब आप यहाँ से एक परसेप्शन बिल्ड करना शुरू करोगे ना लोगों की. सो व्हाई इज़ द रीज़न कि जो लोग ये कैरेक्टर्स बना रहे हैं वो जो बात सोशल्स पे या कॉन्फ्रेंसेस में आके आप बात कर रहे हैं वो आपके काम में नहीं नजर आ रही. वन ऑफ द रीजन जो मुझे सुनने मिलता है कि जी लोग देखना चाहते हैं.
No, but that's how you're showing the people.
Exactly.
It's one of the reasons I would say. देखिए ड्रामा चैनल, ये प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस जितना पूरा एक सर्कल है ना, ये एक बिजनेस भी है और इसमें नंबर्स मुझे लगता है मैटर करते हैं. लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इट्स अबाउट टाइम कि हम ऐसा काम करना शुरू करें कि अगर हम 10 प्रोजेक्ट्स नंबर्स के लिए कर रहे हैं ना, तो 11वां प्रोजेक्ट एटलीस्ट ऐसा करें जो चेंज लेकर आए. टॉक्सिक चीज़ें लोगों को पसंद आती हैं. मैं ड्रामों का हिस्सा हूँ, मैंने भी ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स किए हैं जो मुझे करते हुए आई डोंट अग्री विद देम कि यार ये लाइन ये लड़की क्यों बोलेगी, यार ये इस तरह से बिहेव क्यों करेगी, हम 2024 में बैठे हैं, क्या हो गया, कम ऑन. लेकिन बात आगे से ये आती कि यार करना है, रेटिंग आती है.
Literally मुझे परसों like someone from a production
आंसू
house
निकालने हैं और जुल्म सहना है.
and if that's
It's
true
sad,
and
but true.
No,
But then I
another
also
thing
think there is
disagree
a
with-
lot of
Sorry,
reality
go
in
ahead.
it.
Yeah.
Like
Reality in what sense?
I mean, like if you see our household, domestic violence is rampant and women are not empowered. And other than us few privileged people, maybe like let's say not even 20% of the population, I would say, women are not really empowered in a lot of other situations.
और सब relate करते हैं उन situations से. Sadly.
And they relate to it probably because of that, and then also because they don't get to go out and work, they do sit home and watch. And if यही चल रहा होता है और वो यही देख रहे होते हैं तो उनके लिए वो जो रिलीज होता है, जो कहते हैं ना कैथारसिस है उनका एक, कि हाँ देखो मेरे साथ भी हुआ था, देखो इसके साथ भी हो रहा है, अच्छा ठीक है बाद में इसने ऐसे डील किया. Maybe sometimes they might pick up a thing or two that will help them deal with that situation. But I mean, I think in this country, it's one of the world's lowest rated gender equality stat here. So we're like in the top, like the lowest 10 अफगानिस्तान या सोमालिया या युगांडा से बेहतर होंगे, but we're pretty bad when it comes to gender.
नहीं, बट माई पॉइंट इज ओनली कि आप क्योंकि एक्टिविज्म भी साइड पे कर रहे हैं ना, बहुत से इस इंडस्ट्री में हम देखते हैं लोग, और ज़्यादा आवाज़ें यहाँ से इधर है एज अ होल, अगर हम देखें वेदर इट्स म्यूजिशियन, एक्टिविस्ट, तो वो कहीं ना कहीं पार्ट है इंडस्ट्री के. So this is also like through this you can also shift little bit. As an example, if I'm running a media company, so मैं अब crime shows करके मैं million views रोजाना ला सकता हूँ. But I am doing a contextual news storytelling जो मैंने जब शुरू की भी वो like तो पागल हो bro.
But I
ये
think
contextual
you have
news
the
होता है, like
authority
let's
to do it ना. आप अपना एक चैनल चला रहे हो, आपके पास अथॉरिटी है वो चीज लाने की.
नहीं, बट यहाँ भी
लेकिन
जो
जब
खवातीन
आप
भी तो चला
actors,
रही हैं. अब let's
writers, directors जब कहीं के एम्प्लॉय होते हैं, वो एक हद तक अपनी से कर सकते हैं. उसके बाद उनको अपर अथॉरिटीज की, अपर मैनेजमेंट की सुननी है, अगर यहाँ रहते हुए काम करना है. सैडली ये है
I would say within the big production houses, I can understand what you're trying to say also. The ones that are run by females, they do by and large, you see the typical stuff there too, but I feel like I kind of do hear and have some hope about progressive things from them, because sometimes they do put their money where their mouth is and go behind issues-based things. There's a lot of production companies that are not run by progressive people also, and the writers that people endorse, and we all know names that we don't need to name, and they say, but they sell and things like that. So I think you have to keep fighting the good fight. I would not consider myself, I would not be proud of myself if I would say, okay, I know Chappelle sell, so I'm just gonna, keep on doing that. No, I do have to push the envelope. And in a lot of ways, that's why I continue to do theater, because a lot of things that, forget even being commercial, a lot of things I would get censored on or,
Yeah.
and so many things get censored
Oh,
now,
yeah.
like on politics, on religion, on...
Your latest show,
Yeah.
the thing you produced, you would not have been able to show that on
Absolutely
TV.
not. So I directed this play recently called The White Plague. It's essentially an anti-war play. It's at the intersection of a pandemic and war, but it's an anti-war play. Now, anti-war, like so many things. Look at the Middle East right now.
All over the world, war
all
is one
over
of the
the
biggest
world, like,
economies. It's a war economy, this entire world. Capitalism primarily runs on creating inequalities
creating
and crisis.
So it's about pandemics will always happen, wars will always happen, as long as someone's profiting from them.
Yeah.
But the point is that why did I go to theater as a medium is because it wouldn't have, just like we're seeing in the Middle East, criticizing Israel. It just got passed, I think yesterday in Germany, actually got passed in Parliament, that if you criticize Israel, that is seen as anti-Semitic. That's insane.
yeah.
So extrapolating that to our country, there's so many things that anti-war can be seen as XYZ, So then I chose theater as a medium, as difficult as it is, to be like, these are things important to me, और कोई यहाँ से नहीं निकल रहा है तो यहाँ से कर लेते हैं, because I thought that it shouldn't have been censored if it was on television. So,
और पिछले जो डेकेड अगर हम देखें नौरीन, जो चेंज, लाइक डू यू फील लाइक इंडस्ट्री चेंज हुई है? लेट्स से अगर हम 2010 से 2020 तक के ड्रामा या ओवरऑल इंडस्ट्री देखें, और फिर अब जो पिछले 4-5 साल, या मोर लेस ड्रामा जो बचपन से देखते आ रहे हैं वो सिमिलर?
I don't know, जब मैंने ड्रामे से थोड़ा सा देखना शुरू किया था तो वो ये हमसफर वाला दौर है. I don't know if it's 10 years ago या कुछ, but I think it is about that time ago.
I think there was a time where,
Almost a decade
when,
ago.
for example, like my mother, the time that she was acting, or when your mother was acting, at that point we actually had the resources and the budgets and better writers and all of these things available to our industry.
Do you feel like पहले ज़्यादा budgets है?
Yeah, I feel yeah, because I remember बचपन में
It was
like
more than 10 years ago. You were talking about before the PTV time, or you were talking about?
2
I think
decades
it was,
roughly.
Yeah, I think it was a little bit after the PTV time, because I remember traveling with my mother for dramas to different countries and stuff.
Exactly.
Do you remember that? And they had insane budgets, and now like it just feels like it's a factory which is just like coming out with one drama after the other just because they want ratings and just because it's easy money for them to make. There's no I don't feel like I excuse me if I'm wrong, but like I don't watch a lot of dramas, but like I just feel like there's no depth in dramas anymore. There's no depth in like a villain character anymore. Like if there's a villain, she's just pissy because she's pissy. She doesn't have an arc. She doesn't have a reason why she's upset and why she, what made her become this. बहुत base characters बनाए हुए हैं हर चीज के, and I actually would agree that theater does a much better job at portraying all of these things, and I would rather be in theater than be in the drama industry.
I literally had my first television role.
Yeah.
And it was my friend who was, I mean, she's very big in television and film, and it was a drama like shucky, itchy lady who just wants to aag jalao fire everywhere. The character that my friend was playing, I had to make her life miserable, and I was just talking behind her back, blah blah blah, whatever. And I just asked the director, okay, so why am I this way? Why am I trying to make everyone's life so miserable? What is miserable in my life? Because you're showing that I have a husband and I have a son and it's all hunky-dory there. So just give me some reason. And we're from, you know, from theater. We're also like, what's the backstory?
Yeah.
And he just looked at me and he's like, kya? He's like, yeah, मेरे पास पाकिस्तान में औरतें ऐसी होती है ना बस. And I was like, oh, अच्छा, okay, ठीक है. And then I was like, I'm not gonna get anything from this conversation. I just need to have fun with the character. So I did. But yeah, there's
no
not that
depth,
much
yeah.
depth. That's not saying that all characters are written like that, but a lot of the reasoning
dramas,
is just
yeah.
like, yaar, humne dekhi hai aisi aurtein. But it's so much more interesting to see why people are that way, because you know you see terrible people in general, and then to know what makes them that is the magic of storytelling. Because then you know, I mean, talk about contextual. Anything is better than one note.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I think what Tanzila said, I think there is also a lack of, one is the training. Because अभी तो बहुत ये भी हो रहा है ना कि यार बस आप उसको जानते हो तो तुम इधर आ जाओ. बहुत से हमने देखा कि इन्फ्लुएंसर से लोग मूव हो रहे हैं. The training is not really there.
Yeah.
अगर आप चलो नेगेटिव रोल्स कर रहे हो तो उसमें वो जो एक डेप्थ होती है. आई रिमेंबर मैंने खुद बहुत कम देखे हैं पाकिस्तानी ड्रामा, बट मेरी ज़ात ज़रा बेनिशान आया था.
Okay.
That was like Sania Saeed.
Samia.
Yeah, that was like the character was so deep. It's just like, you know, like you can see कि like she's really feel. It was just नहीं बस ऊपर से होता है ना कि आपने बस वो मुकाने वाली जो एक होता है. So do you feel like ये जो training वाला part है वो भी अब, because you are producing and directing as well, अब हमने देखा कि यार एक बंदा टिकटॉक से वायरल हुआ, इंस्टाग्राम पे आपके नंबर्स बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, या आप किसी को जानते हो, बट वो जो पूरा ट्रेनिंग प्रोसेस नहीं है, सो उसकी वजह से भी ज़रा द क्वालिटी.
100%. I mean, there are always exceptions to the rule, but I 100% have a more enriched time working with actors who have gone through training. That's not to say that there's some people who are just great. Like I don't know. Gahar, for example, maybe he didn't study acting at BNU.
Gahar has done theatre.
He has?
Yes.
No, he's done theatre, but did he train as a theatre
Not sure.
actor?
That I
Like the
don't
way that you know,
Yeah.
were lucky enough to get that. Even I haven't trained as an actor. I'm very jealous of Napa trained people. Because I learned
Especially
on the
because
job.
we were the last batch that Zia Saab
Yes,
dealt
taught.
with.
Exactly.
Yeah,
And I always like regret it. I just never had the time in the middle when I learned on the job. I learned from directors who were great, and I learned the training through that. But like the play that I did, for example, I chose a lot of my colleagues and friends who have trained at Napa, been some of the first graduates. It's it's very, very different. They also approach it with rigor and passion and discipline. Discipline is a big thing that drama school trains you in discipline.
I feel like that's what we lack in the drama industry at the moment, which is discipline and passion.
Yeah.
Because abhi, you know, if you say, okay, oh Ansa, there's another drama shoot that you have to go to tomorrow, I know for a fact that I'm gonna have to sit there and wait for like 3-4 hours until it's my scene, even if I have one scene.
Some sets are like that, but I think other than discipline, there is a lack of integrity.
Yeah.
There's a lack of fairness.
100%.
What do you mean by fairness?
I mean, again, in terms of like who gets what part
Yeah.
and how much it is marketed on social media or on TV. And
नहीं, but when you say this, वो
who
तो
gets
script,
which director.
but script में नहीं, वो तो आ जाता है कि जब script आपको दी है तो उसी टाइम के
ये
चाहिए
तो
रोल.
किसको दी है script?
हाँ, script
कौन
भी
सी
नहीं मिलती
स्क्रिप्ट
है.
किसके पास
Oh,
जाएगी?
अच्छा, okay.
कौन सी स्क्रिप्ट किसके पास जाएगी? कौन से डायरेक्टर्स किसके पास जाएंगे? और किस तरह से उसको शूट किया जाएगा? उसमें कितना बजट डाला जाएगा? उसको किस तरह से मार्केट किया जाएगा? वो सारा कुछ जो है वो टैलेंट पे नहीं डिपेंडेंट.
हाँ, मेरिट पे
और
नहीं
चीजों पे
dependent.
डिपेंडेंट है.
Yeah.
Like और चीजों से मुराद?
Things that might make business sense, let's say maybe social media popularity, but then also things
Number
that
of
are
followers, हाँ.
but then also things related to like networking and lobbying and relationships, friendships,
Yeah.
family
और उस point पे
relationships.
आके acting का आपका talent हो ना हो, it doesn't really matter, because then all that matters is, oh, this person has a lot of followers, or oh, I know this person, so I'm gonna get this person on this project for this thing. She's right. It's actually not fair anymore, because then there's a lot of the times where, like, you know, I've seen new people come into the industry, and I've seen them act, and then I'm like, wait, this person doesn't need to be acting right now because I'm sure they can learn and they can be really good, but then there's no place for them here because they haven't gone through the learning and the training and the discipline of being an actor and actually going through with the whole thing. I haven't seen that.
And a lot of time audiences do recognize it, और वो Instagram पे comment कर रही होती है कि ये क्या कर रही है, इसको तो नहीं आता, नहीं कर रही हो. But then if you present them with वही 5 लोग जो कि सारे एक ही लेवल के हैं, और तो how will they know
उनके
कि
पास कोई
बेहतर
choice
क्या
नहीं
है.
बचती ना.
ऑडियंस के पास चॉइस नहीं बचती, तो वो उनमें से किसी ना एक को तो देख के हिट बना ही देंगे ना, क्योंकि आई वो चीज़ है. And then there are some people who stand out because वो किसी को एक अच्छा रोल दे देते हैं और उसमें अगर एक्टर आ गया तो फिर वो they definitely do a good job with it. But then वो साल में एक बार या 2-3 साल में एक बार होता है कि किसी ऐसे इंसान को चांस मिलता है जो एक्टर भी अच्छा हो और उसको रोल भी अच्छा मिला. दैट्स वेरी रेयर.
बिल्कुल.
So आप तो खुद इन्फ्लुएंसर बाद में बन गई हो.
हाँ जी.
So what are your sort of thoughts on this? Influencers इस साइड पे आ रहे हैं और even actors influencer बनना चाह रहे हैं.
She's very good because I love your videos.
Thank you.
Yeah, so funny. Yeah.
Thank you so much. उसका पूरा क्रेडिट रेहान को जाता है.
और आप आपस में मैंने एक और चीज़ भी नोट की है because मैं क्रिएटर्स के साथ भी बैठता हूँ. So there is a bit of a rift as well. कि यार एक्टर्स समझते हैं कि जी हम एक्टर्स हैं, ये बच्चे कहाँ से आ गए. जैसे वो नहीं है कि यूट्यूब वाले कहते हैं ये तो टिकटॉकर्स हैं.
अच्छा.
ये वैसे ही है जैसे जब हम सिंगर्स को लीड कैरेक्टर्स करते हुए देखते हैं ना और हमें फील होता है. और इस फील मैं कभी नहीं कहूँगी कि मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता है कि हम 10 साल से अगर अपने आप को घिस रहे हैं एक्टिंग करने के लिए और अच्छे कैरेक्टर्स के लिए, और एकदम से एक नॉन सिंगर आता है और लीड कैरेक्टर ले जाता है, डेफिनेटली.
Unless he's a good actor though.
हाँ, वो अलग बात है, लेकिन फिर भी बुरा लगता है.
Like Farish Shafi on Maula Jad was a revelation for me.
He was amazing.
But I wasn't lead character also. So side lead तो नहीं था ना.
Lead
No,
नहीं
but
था.
I'm just saying that I had not seen him act before.
Yeah,
but I was
हाँ,
like, he's
वो बाकी रेवलेशन था, लेकिन मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स ऐसा नहीं होता.
हाँ,
एक्टिंग भी बुरी हो रही होती है और फिर जब इतना बड़ा कैरेक्टर आप किसी अनडिजर्विंग बंदे को दे देते हैं तो आपको बुरा लगता है कि यार मेरिट पे आ जाए तो बेहतर है. जो चीज़ डिजर्व, और जेन्युइनली अगर मैं अपनी बात करूं, कोई अच्छा काम करता हुआ नजर आता है तो खुशी होती है देख के कि यार अमेजिंग. परिजाद में अहमद अली अकबर का काम आप देखें, और हमारे पास ऐसे बहुत सारे नाम हैं कि जिनका अच्छा काम देख के खुशी होती है, उधर हमें बिल्कुल बुरा नहीं लगता. लेकिन नौरीन की अगर बात करूं, अपनी भी एक तरह से बात करूं, थिएटर के 50 और लोग हैं. अदनान समद है हमारे पास, इतने ज़बरदस्त नापा के एक्टर्स हैं, उनको अब तक वो प्लेटफॉर्म और वो कैरेक्टर्स नहीं मिले जो वो डिजर्व करते हैं, और वो दुनिया तबाह कर सकते हैं उन कैरेक्टर्स.
और उन्हें क्यों नहीं मिल रहे, क्या कमी है उनमें?
इंस्टाग्राम फॉलोइंग नहीं होगी,
Instagram following.
गोरा रंग नहीं होगा, हरी
कॉल
आंखें
करने
नहीं
वाला नहीं
होंगी.
होगा ना उनकी तरफ. कोई
और,
कॉल नहीं करने वाला. I mean, I've seen parents of these kids and their kids are not good. कुछ हैं जो कि जिनके अम्मा अब्बा भी थे and they are good. But then कुछ हैं जो नहीं हैं. And I've seen their fathers call the directors on set कि इसको ठीक से कराना, इसका retake कर लेना.
सही हो रहा है काम.
Wow.
और रात
And
को
they are
अलग
also
रिपोर्ट जाती है.
but they are also from the industry या वो वैसे कोई powerful people हैं?
नहीं, the parents are also an actor. The parent was also an actor.
So basically nepotism
हाँ.
plus अब उसके साथ influence, like अगर आपके पास numbers भी हैं but आपका कोई वो नहीं है तो then so now basically essentially there
It's
are
a mix.
two like sort of ways
Yeah.
to go into.
Nepotism has always been a way in any industry, in any maybe in any
Yeah.
country also, but we suffer from it a lot here because that sort of democratic process of getting, of other people getting a chance is also. And remember also, we don't have a very prolific theatre or film industry left anymore, so it's only television.
Yeah.
And television is also monopolized by a few people. So it's become difficult for, like, if you look at India, they have such a huge OTT market that I met this actor called Vijay Verma, who is very big, so good. At the Berlin Film Festival, I was selected for a program over there, and I got to watch Zoe Akhtar's Dahar. Anyways, I didn't know it was the premiere. The actors come sit in front of me and I was like, oh my God, this is amazing. And then we became friends, and he said if it wasn't for OTT, because Bollywood is dominated by and he said if it wasn't for OTT, all of us new crop of actors, the Rajkumar Raos and I guess Irfan Khan and Nawazuddin had already kind of broken through, but they're also the NSD actors who are like
NSD
actors,
Pankaj Ji,
They have now gotten.
What do you mean by NSD?
NSD is the National School of Drama in India, which our
है,
NAPA
ठीक है.
should hope to be the equivalent of. So they got this boost. He was like, I have 7 projects for the rest of the year, and I was thinking, even the top actor in Pakistan right now, does not have 7 projects
The
lined up
thing
because
is,
there aren't
we
7
over
projects
here,
lined up.
like I feel like are not treated like actors anywhere else in the world. आप कहीं पे भी जाओगे दुनिया में, actors को फिर भी एक sort of respect मिलती है in the
एक
sense
प्रोटोकॉल
of,
मिलता है.
yeah, we have a protocol, you know, उनको वो मिलेगा कि oh, एक separate dressing room and like all of those little weird little things. But like, we don't have paparazzi here. You know, this is one thing. We don't have paparazzi here. We don't have.
Do you think we need like paparazzi?
I think
we
to a
do,
certain
though.
For a
extent we
PR,
do.
We do.
Because जैसे for example India इतना lavish इसलिए भी है because you know the actors are being paparazzied constantly. You know that's
So
a
tabloid जो है वो.
yeah, your tabloids always going. There's always news coming out and stuff, good, bad, whatever. But I feel like it is something that's still pushing the actors, you know, to the front page. Or like even if it's not an actor and if it's an influencer, whoever it is in the industry, they're still being constantly shot and they're still being constantly documented because so that people feel like that they're important people. We don't feel like important people because हमें कोई ऐसी कोई protocol नहीं मिली हुई. You know, we don't have like.
But वो हमें नहीं मिली भी ना.
I would
हैं, उनको मिली भी है.
Do you think
but
that we
like-
have?
I would slightly disagree. I would say the reason why that is because India has 100+ years of cinema. We stopped in the middle in the 70s when there
did,
was
we
martial
did.
law and cinema
Yeah.
shut down.
Yeah.
So we've had so many stops and starts.
Yeah.
So that's just the sheer volume. But I think if Fawad is walking around, Mahira is walking around, Hania is walking around, there's paparazzi following them. But it's
I
just we don't
think
have
so. I feel
the
like-
volume because they're
Huh.
Fawad's not doing 3 films in a year where Shah
Yeah.
Rukh Khan probably is because
Exactly.
their industry is much more prolific.
Yeah.
Now there's a lot of like geopolitical reasons why our
Yeah.
industry has also now hit a wall.
Yeah.
Now kya for like a long time.
Yeah.
And with film and OTT to aahi nahi raha, aahi
Exactly.
nahi chuk raha yahan pe.
Yeah.
So then you're left with television, which is smaller budget,
Yeah.
smaller, you know.
Yeah.
But I would say television now has become because of digital, because
Yeah.
of YouTube,
Yeah.
not because OTTs have come. You know, I think kaun sa drama hai, Kabhi Main Kabhi Tum, 50 million views on its first episode. That's pretty great.
Yeah.
But again, we should have so many more of that.
We should.
India
Yeah,
has
exactly.
so many of those
they're
projects.
constantly
like, you know?
coming out
Yeah.
with it, and people are watching that stuff. And I
Yeah.
understand that, like, we can be that.
We can because people want to watch our talent.
but we don't have the sheer amount of volume.
we just don't have the volume.
We don't,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
that kind of sucks because, like,
Yeah.
what are we doing?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
bad business sense by
Yeah,
I
it
would say a
is,
lot of
yeah.
people.
So, but when you guys talk about industry के industry नहीं है या पैसे नहीं है या ये वाली सारी चीज़ें, but अगर हम अभी देखें आपका जो YouTube पे जाता है ड्रामा TV तो I don't know, but उस पे यहाँ चैनल का लोगो है, यहाँ भी ब्रांड है, यहाँ भी ब्रांड है और यहाँ भी ब्रांड
और
है.
प्राइम ब्रांड अलग है कि
और
स्पॉन्सर्ड
एग्जैक्टली वो अलग है और
हाँ।
बीच में भी एड्स आपके जो यूट्यूब वाले एड्स हैं वो भी आ रहे हैं. एंड एक रिसर्च आई थिंक इंडिपेंडेंट उर्दू ने की है BBC ने और उसमें दे सेट के जो बड़े दो ऑब्वियसली आपके जो चैनल्स हैं दे आर मेकिंग शिट लोड ऑफ मनी. सो आई डोंट थिंक मनी इज द प्रॉब्लम. मतलब आज से पहले शायद पैसा उतना नहीं बन रहा था, बट एज यू सेट के बाहर भी शूट्स हो रहे थे. आप पुराने ड्रामे वैसे देख लो, धुआं देख लो, अल्फा ब्रावो चार्ली देख लो, इस तरह के और सुनहरे दिन, मतलब देयर वाज सो मच डेप्थ. So do you think money is the issue?
It's the monopoly of money. So like you said, 2 channels. That's not very many. In India, you have so many production companies, so many films, so many channels.
थोड़ा सा मुझे आप बताओ कि आपने जब थिएटर में ट्रेनिंग किया, सारा किया, सो जो एक एक्टर का एक्सप्रेशन है या कोई भी आर्टिस्ट है, सो एक एक्सप्रेशन यू नीड टू डेवलप दैट. एक तो ठीक है एक्टिंग इज समथिंग एल्स, बट देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ लेयर्स अंडर दैट. एक चीज़ जो हमें देखने में आती है, जो ऑब्वियसली ज़्यादातर एक्टर्स हैं, इट फील्स लाइक फ्रॉम मे बी आउटसाइड कि थोड़ा सा इलीटिश मतलब साइड के लोग हैं. बहुत ज़्यादा वो जो आपका मैस है या जो
नहीं भी है
असल
उन्हें भी
पाकिस्तान
करना पड़ता है. A lot of them are not.
Okay.
A lot of them are not. They are from very humble backgrounds. But as you like rise up on those ladders, you kind of have to create this persona. लोग बाहर नहीं गए, अमेरिकन एक्सेंट लगे हुए हैं सबके भाई, कभी गए नहीं हैं,
Okay.
पढ़े नहीं हैं, आप पूरा अपने आप को चेंज ही कर देते हैं. I understand because वो शायद we respect that ना, हमारे अंदर एक internalized white supremacy है, हम क्यों उस चीज़ को ज़्यादा रिस्पेक्ट दे रहे हैं. तो फिर उनका लिबास भी आ जाता है उसमें, फिर कलरिज्म भी आ जाता है, वो सारा कुछ उसका हिस्सा है. तो बट आप कुछ और पूछ रहे थे, बट आई वांटेड टू ऐड दिस इन.
नहीं बट इसी से कनेक्टेड कि जो एक्सप्रेशन है, सो देन हाउ डू यू डेवलप, बिकॉज हमने देखा कि अगर एक लीड एक्टर है या जनरली लेट्स से जो भी लेयर है वो, अब आप इस्लामाबाद, लाहौर, कराची, आप अगर एक रोल कर रहे हो एक बलोच खातून का, एक आप कोई केपी में खातून है, ठीक है एक्टिंग आप सीख लेते हो, बट जब तक आप चाहते नहीं. अब आमिर खान का मैं देखता था बिहाइंड द सीन्स, अब जो धोबी घाट का जो म्यूजिक था,
I love Dhobi Ghatt.
वो बंदा वेरी फेमस कंपोजर,
Music, I
हाँ,
love the
अब वो
music of
वहाँ
that.
आके दिल्ली में ही सेट के वो जो जिस टाउन की वो स्टोरी है, मैं उस टाउन में 1 महीना रहा हूँ just to understand the vibe.
The sound of the
अब वो
place.
करने को वो एलए में बैठ के
Budget नहीं
एसी के
है.
अंदर,
हाँ,
मतलब
हमारे
easy.
पास बजट ही नहीं है इसका. मतलब एक्टर्स को इतने पैसे मिलते हैं कि वो अपना वजन भी गिरा दें, वो अपने बाल भी उड़ा दें, वो सारा कुछ कर लें.
वो कवर्ड है 1 साल के लिए,
Yeah.
उनको कोई टेंशन नहीं.
एंड देन दे गेट रॉयल्टीज, तो उनको पता है कि वो 1 साल के लिए नहीं, वो जिंदगी भर के लिए कवर्ड है. लाइक क्रिश्चियन बेल, मतलब वो बेचारा अगर हड्डियों का ढांचा बन गया है तो उसको पता है अब वो जिंदगी भर के लिए सेट है. मशीनिस्ट या कोई उठा ले. But we don't even get royalties, and that's one of the most unfair parts of this industry as well, because it's not like they don't do reruns, not just national reruns, but international reruns dubbed in other voices, other languages reruns, and then sold to different platforms beyond their own platforms reruns as well. That's a lot of money.
But as an actor, आप कैसे, like how do you develop your sort of expression? What's the process?
You mean like in terms of the characters?
How do you prepare for
हाँ.
your role?
Oh, okay.
And not just role, like generally भी like एक मतलब,
you mean signature?
हाँ, like long term you have to do like couple of different
If I can talk about Noreen, and not that I knew her through drama school, but she went to drama school, so she can tell you about 3 years of what was in drama school that helped you develop your muscle as an actor.
Plus उसमें भी what I'm trying to understand है, एक तो ये ना कि वो वाला layer है. So example, as a journalist, आपने एक तो school में जाना है, फिर you have to go to Balochistan to understand really कि मैं इससे बात करूँ, उससे बात करूँ.
Watch, or
हाँ,
talk
एक
to
आम बंदे से
people,
यार
हाँ.
ये दुनिया, अब मुझे याद है मैं एक दफा
Research करना जरूरी है.
बलूचिस्तान खुशदार गया एक प्रोजेक्ट के लिए, और वो दुनिया आई वाज लाइक कि यार मतलब इवन मैंने शलवार कमीज पहनी हुई थी, देयर वाज अ प्रोटोकॉल, भाई आपने जीन्स नहीं पहननी, कोई खातून नहीं नजर आनी चाहिए इधर आपके साथ टीम में, और ये वो सारा. स्टिल दैट्स लाइक अनदर वर्ल्ड. सो व्हेन यू आर लाइक गोइंग इनटू द कैरेक्टर, सो डू यू थिंक कि जो लाइक व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ, हाउ डू यू प्रिपेयर?
I look at a character from the script and then you have to build upwards, because script में तो words लिखे हुए हैं ना. One of our teachers, Sunil, you know, he taught us that script में character नहीं होता, character आप बनाते हैं. आप किसी भी एक basic stock character को as a good actor can transform it into something very real, something very nuanced. Drama में मसला ये है, we do not have scripts that allow that kind of nuance, in the sense that ओवर एक्टिंग बिकती ज्यादा है, और ओवर एक्टिंग के अंदर नुआंस नहीं जहाँ डालते हैं ना, वो लोगों को ज्यादा पसंद आता है, और डायरेक्टर्स भी उसको, बिकॉज वो एक हीरोइज्म के अराउंड रिवॉल्व्ड होती है. What I try not to do, I don't know if that's the reason that my success is not as much, or if not, but I do feel that that is one of the reasons. I feel like my acting is not over the top. I feel like it's subtle and it's natural.
And I love it.
Yeah, okay. I've gotten like critical appraisal, yes. लोगों को नहीं समझ में, देयर लाइक कि अच्छा आपने कॉमेडी की थी, वो पता ही नहीं लगा कि ये आप हैं. और वो बहुत नेचुरल भी थी, बिकॉज कॉमेडी यूजुअली काफी लोग ओवर द टॉप कर देते हैं. एंड देन इवन आई डिड अ नेगेटिव कैरेक्टर, वो भी इट वाज अ पॉलिटिशियन. आई डिड नॉट फील द नीड टू लाइक यू नो ऑल ऑफ दैट, लाइक या एम्बेलिश इट, लाइक पॉलिटिशियन के पास तो पावर है, वो तो अंदर है उसकी, बाकी द लाइंस एंड द फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस एंड द वे यू कैरी योरसेल्फ, द ऑरा, सो द प्रेजेंस. टीवी पे प्रेजेंस पे भी इतना फोकस नहीं होता, बिकॉज वो मीडियम बहुत छोटा है. सो सारा कुछ फोकस यहाँ पे होता है, एंड लाउडर द एक्सप्रेशंस द मोर पीपल थिंक यार ये बड़ी अच्छी एक्टिंग कर रहा है,
या इसके दिमाग में ये चल रहा है.
हाँ,
वो सब एक्सप्रेशन से दिखाना है.
एंड लाइक आई डोंट नो, आपने नोटिस किया होगा, एक्टर्स बिलीव इन एक दूसरे के ऊपर चढ़ना. अच्छी एक्टिंग ये है कि अगर आपने एक वॉल्यूम पे और एक स्टाइल में एक लाइन बोली ना, तो अब मैंने उसको ओवर करना है, उसको टॉप करना है.
Sounds like bad acting to me.
Yes.
I would really say it's the tiny gestures that unmask the character.
Yes.
Is the essence that, at least in theater, you know, even though theater is such a, so you have to project your expression, so it's a much louder, bigger expression than television. But in any training, even though she did a whole 3 years of drama school, I would say in myself, when I see actors and how I would prepare myself is getting into, like you said, a lot of research, because you shouldn't be able to see that you're acting. And so it's being as physically comfortable and mentally comfortable, emotionally, maybe spiritually comfortable with the character. If you're afforded the luxury of a bigger rehearsal time, then you can do it. But again, when someone comes on set, I can tell, unless it's that person's personality. There's some actors who they just have that comic, thing, and then you just want to just watch them, and they're brilliant at it. But otherwise, you can tell who has spent time getting in the skin of the character, because वो छोटी-छोटी चीजों से फिर वो
दिख जाता है।
हाँ। Yeah.
छोटे-छोटे जेस्चर्स काफी होते हैं कुछ जगहों पे।
Yes.
Because हर किसी के हर कैरेक्टर के भी अपने आप को पेन पॉइंट्स बनाने पड़ते हैं या उनके ग्लिमर्स या ट्रिगर्स बनाने पड़ते हैं। तो जब सामने वाला आपसे एक दूसरा कैरेक्टर आपसे एक तरह से बिहेव करता है, एक तरह से ट्रीट करता है, तो वहाँ पे आपके माइक्रो एक्सप्रेशंस उसको रिवील करेंगे कि उसके ये छोटे-छोटे
would like respond to something specific that somebody has said.
Yeah.
So you have to really understand your character psychologically in that some kind of way as well. So.
लेकिन तब क्या किया जाए जब स्क्रिप्ट ही पूरी ना मिली और हम शूट पे चले जाए?
हाँ,
But ये होता है,
तब क्या हो?
Insane. How is
And
it
I would
possible?
say,
That's more often than not.
Like you said, sometimes even if the script, it's the director also.
Yeah.
If the director is like, okay, if he's appreciating some loud and very shoda and not, then you're like, okay, he's just saying that's okay and like pass it, But if he's going to push for something or craft something, so of course, script and director.
ये बहुत से एक्टर्स तो ये भी कहते हैं कि हम लोग पहले 3 महीने प्रिपेयर करते हैं और फिर हम
Those are the bigger
मुझे
actors.
ऐसा नहीं लगता कि हमारी ड्रामा इंडस्ट्री में
Those are the bigger
रहते
actors.
आपको 3 महीने मिले किसी कैरेक्टर को प्रिपेयर करने
That's a luxury.
Yeah,
ये
that's a
नहीं हो
luxury.
सकता, हो ही नहीं सकता।
But in theater we do it.
Yeah.
In theater, the play that I
थिएटर में
did, we
आपके पास
rehearsed
वो,
for
हाँ,
2
वो
months.
privilege भी होता है, वो टाइम भी होता है,
Privilege, so in the sense कि it's not paying your bills, type of privilege.
लेकिन आपको वो मार्जिन मिलता है थिएटर के अंदर, क्योंकि रिहर्सल्स के बगैर थिएटर हो नहीं सकता। टीवी में रिहर्सल्स का लफ्ज हराम है।
Yeah.
Because time is money.
कैसे की दिन के हमें 23 सीन्स निकालने हैं, आप रिहर्सल की बात कैसे कर सकते हैं? और वही वाली बात कि जब आपको स्क्रिप्ट नहीं मिला है, आपको कैरेक्टर आँख नहीं पता है, हम 40वें एपिसोड का सीन कर रहे हैं, हमें पता नहीं है 50वें एपिसोड में इस कैरेक्टर के साथ क्या हो रहा है, तो आप क्या ही कर लेंगे
एपिसोड का कुछ कर रहे होंगे, you're gonna be like,
और हमारा ये सवाल होता है कि
know.
भाई क्या हो रहा है, कैरेक्टर के साथ मर रहा है, जिंदा है, पागल हो रहा है, ठीक हो रहा
That's
है।
insane. Like
So
that's just
हम
like
ऐसी सिचुएशंस में काम कर रहे होते हैं, मेन स्ट्रीम टीवी की मैं बात कर रही हूँ, कि आप कैरेक्टर आर्क, प्रोसेस, मेथड सब साइड में, ऑनेस्टली अगर मैं
so
बात
अभी I think मुझे डायरेक्टर्स को बुला के ना ये पूछना पड़ेगा ब्रो लाइक क्या सीन है।
डायरेक्टर्स के हाथ में थोड़ी
हाथ में नहीं होता,
मांग के स्क्रिप्ट थक जाते हैं, वो आगे से नहीं आ रहा होता,
आगे से नहीं आ रहा होता, और डायरेक्टर
So
के
it's a
ऊपर
proper chain.
Yes.
which
Oh yeah.
one should-
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
तो
Yeah.
डायरेक्टर के
So
ऊपर
how can
भी
you start the production अगर आपके पास स्क्रिप्ट पूरी नहीं आई हुई?
They just call you in, they make you audition, and then you wait for like 3-4 months until you get the script.
And then sometimes you
हाँ,
get half
लेकिन
the
वो
script
लोग
and you go to
shoot
shoot.
start कर देते
वो
हैं,
लोग shoot start
they
कर
just
देते
go get the location,
Yeah.
they go on shoot,
Yeah.
budget release करते हैं थोड़ा बहुत और start बस शुरू के
And then you
episode
go
से,
to the
and
set.
it's not even chronological ना the
Yeah.
shoot. So as an actor अगर आपने पढ़ी हुई भी है सारी स्क्रिप्ट,
Yeah.
आपको अगर स्क्रिप्ट के बीच में जहाँ पे आपकी डिवोर्स हुई है या
23वें
जहाँ पे
एपिसोड का तीसरा सीन करना
वो
है।
पहले दिन का होगा।
अगर वो आपको पहले दिन या आपको अपने रोमांस के पीक वाला सीन पहले दिन करना है
सबसे
और
पहले
आप
दिन,
दूसरे
yeah.
एक्टर से मिले ही उस
उस
दिन
दिन है, exactly.
उसी दिन मिले और उसी दिन आपको फौरन सबसे ज्यादा रोमांस करना है।
Yeah. नहीं हो
ये तो
सकता।
होता है।
शादी के अगले दिन का सीन
Yeah.
इंतहा पीक पे चल रहा है ना, रोमांस और मुलाकात हो रही है, अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी, कैसे हैं आप, ठीक हैं,
But
हमें romance करना है अभी।
would you try to like, even if the production is not facilitating it, would you try to meet that person before, be like यार ये तो नहीं
पता ही
करवा
नहीं
रहे,
होता कि
लेकिन
किसको लिया,
नहीं,
अच्छा पता ही नहीं
character
होता,
actor है
हाँ,
कौन?
हाँ, हाँ।
हमें ये नहीं पता
और
कि
पता
cast
On
होता
the
है
कौन
भी
day
तो आपके
of,
साथ
like you
connection नहीं
find
होता
out
उनका।
कौन आ रहा है.
कौन
So
आ रहा है.
like that's the worst thing because you don't know who your cast members are half the time. And आधा वक्त तो ये होता है कि आधे cast members यहाँ काम कर रहे होते हैं, आधे cast
Double
members यहाँ
unit
काम
चल
कर रहे
रहा
होते हैं, हाँ. And then you never get to meet the other people on the other end of the drama because you're like, okay, well, I have no work with them, so I have
Oh
no
yeah,
idea.
yeah.
Also,
That-
even if
that of
you
course.
knew, I think वो सब बहुत weird समझेगा सामने वाला बंदा कि उसको, क्योंकि norm नहीं है ना कि बंदी को वो रोमांस केमिस्ट्री एक्ट आउट करने के लिए आपसे मुलाकात करनी है शूट से पहले. I think people would not
बड़ा
take it.
superficial process है एक तरह से, जिसको आपको बहुत in depth
That's why
दिखाना
there is no
पड़ता है।
depth as well,
हाँ.
probably. Like
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
one of the. आप
100%.
जितने अच्छे मर्जी एक्टर हो जाएं, मतलब
आप कितना ही कर लेंगे, कितना ही बचा
मतलब,
लेंगे,
और आपने अगर दिन में करने भी
23
इतने-
scenes हैं।
That's just like
और
और कितने
सिर्फ
घंटे की
actors
shift
के
होती है?
It is quite criminal.
12
कि-
घंटे। 10
Yeah.
से 10.
It's quite criminal how late they give you the script because you're like,
Mm.
don't you want me to do a good actor?
Yeah.
Sorry, a good job as an actor, and then they're giving it to you so
और
last minute that
ऑफेंड
you're.
भी हो जाते हैं बाज़
Yeah.
औक़ात लोग कि स्क्रिप्ट मांगी.
हाँ.
Yeah.
हिम्मत कैसे की
हाँ.
स्क्रिप्ट
नहीं कर रहे हो,
मांगने की?
नहीं मांगने की.
मैंने कहा अल्लाह
ड्रामा
की
दे
कसम
दिया.
बेचूंगी नहीं कहीं, प्लीज मुझे
हाँ.
स्क्रिप्ट दे दो.
अच्छा मेरा
सिर्फ मेरे सीन्स
सबसे
दे दो
बड़ा
ताकि मुझे
मसला ये
बताओ क्या
होता
करना
था
है.
बिकॉज आई डोंट मुझे उर्दू इतनी अच्छी पढ़नी नहीं आती और मुझे थोड़ा सा डिसलेक्सिया है, तो मुझे यूजुअली स्क्रिप्ट ना इंग्लिश में चाहिए होता है. तो मैं उनको बिफोर हैंड जब पहली मीटिंग होती है और ऑडिशन हो जाता है एंड देयर लाइक फिट व्हाटएवर, आई एम लाइक लिसन मुझे प्लीज स्क्रिप्ट दे देगा और मुझे या तो खुद दे देगा, मैं ट्रांसलेट कर दूंगी, या प्लीज किसी से करा लेगा. Never.
आप चैट जीपीटी यूज करना
Never.
शुरू करो. That's
हमें
the
उर्दू की
easiest, I
script नहीं
think.
मिल रही, तुम
Urdu
इंग्लिश में मांग रहे हो.
and that's the problem, right? Because I'm like, I'm not getting any of the scripts. And then this one time मैं set पे गई and I was really young. I think I was like 17, 18. It was my first drama. And मुझे उर्दू नहीं पढ़नी आ रही थी, तो I hadn't told anyone on the set कि मेरा क्या मसला है, because उस वक्त मुझे बोलना कि dyslexia है वो बहुत shameful चीज़ थी, right? Because everyone's like, oh क्या मतलब तुम्हें पढ़ना नहीं आता, which is really stupid, but whatever. So I went to set and I had this AD and I was like, yo, like, you know, can you read it out to me? मैं खुद सुन के मैं उसका उसमें character डालूंगी और मैं सब कुछ कर लूंगी, बस मुझे just keep reading it to me over. And plus scenes के बीच में ना आपके पास होते हैं 15 मिनट.
Okay.
ठीक है.
एक सीन से दूसरे के दरमियान.
हाँ.
हाँ, उसमें आपको सीन भी याद करना होता है,
सीन भी
कपड़े
याद
भी चेंज
करना
करने
है,
होते हैं.
चेंज भी करना है,
करनी
आपको
होती है,
मेकअप
continuity की चीजें भी
भी,
पहननी
हाँ,
होती हैं.
आपको मेकअप
खुद
भी चेंज करना है,
continuity
आपको
का याद
hair भी
करना
चेंज करना है, all of these things, and learn a scene that is literally 3 pages long. So as somebody who has horrible memory, as somebody who generally can't read Urdu to begin with, मेरे लिए cope करना बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा होता था. But still I would be like, please मुझे पढ़ लो. एक दिन ऐसा हुआ कि he wasn't around, he was like doing something else. And I hadn't read my script, so मुझे जो भी उस वक्त था मैंने वो पढ़ लिया था. And मैं scene के लिए गई हूँ and I went to the director and I was like, hey, I'm so sorry, I don't remember a lot of the lines, so can we do like OT? Because वो लोग इतना जुगाड़ कर रहे हैं, मैं भी थोड़ा सा जुगाड़ कर सकती हूँ, ठीक है? So I was like, can we do OT so that like, you know, you get all my lines, you can like prompt them to me, I'll give you all the expression you need, and बस मुझे prompt कर दें, I'll do it. उतनी देर में वो AD आता है. अब कुछ हुआ है where I said something and he said something and then I said something back and then he said कि oh, what are you talking to me about? You don't even remember your lines. And I literally turned to him and I was like, you didn't have to come at me like that, bro. Like we didn't have to like itna beef. And it was weird because it felt like it was so okay for him to disrespect me like that. And like he's right, but like bro,
There's a trust.
I
factor that
thought
has to be
I
there.
thought we're besties, like we're supposed to be besties, but like, you know, it was really weird. And ever since then, like, you know, directors don't want to work with me because they feel like I'm difficult to work with just because I need someone to read the script out to me. You know what I mean? Even though I will try my best to give my best in the acting and my best in the expressions and my best in whatever I can, but it's still going to be deemed unworkable for them because I'm difficult to work with. You know what I mean? So
उसके अलावा क्या
Fair.
डिफिकल्टीज नॉर्मली आती हैं? जैसे सरवत के साथ व्हेन आई डिड अ पॉडकास्ट शी सेड कि चुड़ैल के बाद मुझे काम नहीं मिला बहुत अरसा. अब सरवत इज समवन लाइक रियली मतलब नॉट यू नो जस्ट वैसे ही, एंड देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ लाइक जेलसी हर इंडस्ट्री में है, इज नॉट समथिंग न्यू, बट ओवरऑल लाइक व्हाट आर लेट्स से 3 to 5 very difficult things as an actor you feel like you know is there? So
For me, when I see directors doing favoritism on set and treating everybody not equally, like having their favorite actors and giving them all sorts of privileges, retake का भी उनके साथ जो है वो mistake करें तो हा हा ही हु
Screen time.
हम mistake करें तो इतनी बदतमीजी से जवाब आता है सामने से कि आपने, because you have to make your actors feel safe.
yeah.
It's a creative process, and because it's creative, it requires you to be vulnerable and make mistakes sometimes. And अगर आपकी mistakes और साथ वाले की mistakes को बिल्कुल ही different तरह से treat किया जा रहा है, तो एक तो आपकी performance भी affect होती है. दूसरा ये कि आपका जब director के साथ relationship अच्छा नहीं होगा ना, तो आप नई चीज़ें try नहीं करोगे. तो आपका रिस्क लेने का और क्रिएटिव होने का मार्जिन ही खत्म हो जाता है. फिर अगर आप सिंपल एक चीज़ दे रहे हो तो फिर आपको वैसे अप्रिसिएशन नहीं मिल रही, और वो एक बुरी सी चीज़ भी दे रहे हैं उनके फेवरेट, तो उनको उस पर अप्रिसिएशन भी मिल रही है. सो दैट इज़ वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम्स, एंड दैट रियली काइंड ऑफ नॉट जस्ट दैट इट मेक्स मी लाइक इट एक्चुअली ब्रेक्स माई हार्ट, एंड देन मुझे उन डायरेक्टर्स के साथ वापस काम ही नहीं करना होता, बिकॉज आई फाइंड इट टॉक्सिक, बिकॉज वो आपको एक्चुअली टॉक्सिक एनर्जी दे रहे होते हैं ना. या तो फिर आप नहीं करना अप्रिशिएट ना करें, एटलीस्ट मिस्टेक पे तो इतना ज्यादा रेप्रिमांड ना करें जब आप सामने नहीं कर रहे तो. So yeah, then I.
But when
कुछ
you-
डायरेक्टर्स का तो ये तरीका है कि हम अप्रिशिएट नहीं करते.
हाँ, पर वो
कुछ
सबको
ऐसे
ना करें
directors भी
चले.
हैं कि अगर आपने जान मार के भी कोई सीन दिया है ना, तो नेचुरली आप एक्सपेक्ट करते हो कि कट के बाद कुछ प्रेज आएगा. तो उनका स्टाइल है कि नहीं, हम तो नहीं तारीफ करते या हम तो नहीं आपको अप्रिशिएट करेंगे. और वो सबके साथ ऐसी होती है.
बट कुछ हैं जो बहुत अच्छी
कुछ
भी
some of them
डील
are
करते
really
हैं,
good,
दे
yeah.
रियली हेल्प.
Yeah.
ऐसे भी हैं
Yeah.
जो कैरेक्टर बात भी करेंगे, हेल्प भी करेंगे, अप्रिशिएट भी करेंगे, जोक
बिल्कुल
भी
है,
करेंगे,
बिल्कुल है.
खाना भी खाएंगे आपके साथ. सो दोनों तरह के
कितने
डायरेक्टर्स हैं.
डायरेक्टर्स हैं वैसे इंडस्ट्री में, like let's say roughly,
There's a bunch.
There's a lot.
Many.
like कितने हैं? Is it 10? Is it 20?
No,
Is it
no,
100?
100,
I mean, think how many
55.
dramas there are. There's so many dramas
There's a
also.
lot of
How many good directors and not great directors, that's a different thing. But there's a lot of directors.
एक और चीज जो मुझे बहुत
We
बुरी
need more
लगती है.
female directors.
yeah,
हाँ.
yeah.
What's the
absolutely.
ratio right now?
I would say, I mean, there's the one Mehreen
Marine
and
हाँ, वो भी पाकिस्तानी
मेहरीन,
बहुत कम कर दिए हैं.
शहरजाद,
Sherzad.
20 तो होंगी फीमेल्स, 20 होंगी.
I think
मरीना
Angeline.
जी,
नहीं नहीं
मरीना जी,
Yeah.
Angeline.
I might start directing for television. Also, I haven't done it for television. I've acted for television, but not directed. Angeline.
हम 4 ही याद कर पाए.
हाँ.
सबा जी,
सबल जी
सबा
does it.
परवेज,
Acha.
रुबीना जी, और कौन है?
That's the thing. There's
like there are
like
more.
There
there's
needs to be
like-
many more.
there's like hardly like a handful of women.
यासरा.
Yasser has directed, yeah.
So there's just a handful of women and there's more men, and which is why I feel like the drama industry, even though it's made for primarily women, because औरतें ही drama देखती हैं, it's more made by men.
Yeah, yeah.
It's
It's a
all
patriarchal
the,
system. for
all the
sure.
women are written by men, and I don't think a man has ever understood what a woman goes through. I feel like a woman can only understand what a woman goes through in terms of like hurt. अगर आप hurt दिखा भी रहे हो, there's a very poetic way of showing your hurt, you know, and the way that women portray it, when, for example, like if there's a woman directing a woman, it's portrayed in a very beautiful way. It's portrayed with a lot more nuance and sensitivity and all of these things, and we need to show that. Aap dikhao sadness, whatever. I'm here for that. I am not okay with it being shallow, because everything right now for me, at least in the drama industry, is very shallow, which is why I can't get by it. I can't even sit down and watch a drama because I just feel like ये बहुत shallow, ऊपर के emotions हैं. तो उसमें obviously actor को भी मजा नहीं आएगा, उसमें director भी कितना कर लेगा.
और जब राइटिंग इतनी वीक होती है तो फिर एक्टर मजबूर हो जाता है एग्जैजरेटेड एक्टिंग करने के लिए, बिकॉज वीक स्क्रिप्ट में तो इंटरेस्ट है नहीं. वो बेचारे एक्टर के उछल कूद करने से लोग एंटरटेन हो रहे हैं.
Literally.
और अगर वो भी ना करे तो फिर तो वैसे ही इसको कोई नहीं पूछता, कहते हैं हाँ इसको तो छोड़ दो, ये तो बहुत ही हल्का है.
Yeah.
ऑल्दो हल्का इज नॉट अ वे ऑफ लाइक जजिंग समबडीज acting talent.
No, and everyone has a different style of acting. Like, I feel like you and I have very similar styles in the sense where come is better, because I feel like वो बहुत natural है और वो बहुत ज़्यादा बेहतर है. There are actors who are very good and very natural at doing over the top stuff, and it looks good on them. But जिन लोगों के ऊपर नहीं अच्छा लगता over the topness, वो फिर क्या करें? You know what I mean? We don't want to be out here being extra, because acting is supposed to be.
It's not real, right?
Yeah.
Like real people don't behave like हम यहाँ
Exactly,
बैठे हुए हैं,
yeah.
हम बस ये तो नहीं कर रहे हैं
हाँ,
ना.
और हम बैठ के
Literally.
सब ऐसे देख भी नहीं करते.
हाँ, उसको तो मैं बताऊंगी.
Yeah.
So yeah, and the issue is also okay, you're giving the with me, like, so a lot of the times when I've gotten a character, मुझे हमेशा एक वो वाला character मिला है कि सुधरी हुई लड़की और घर की बहू और all of those things, which I never felt like I fit into. But मैं फिर भी कर लेती थी, because I was like, okay, it's work and I will do it and whatever. So I was very much taken out of my comfort zone. So that helped me better my acting, if anything, because it was such a different character from who I actually am. The one time that I actually got a character of a very like snarky, very like इसको तो मैं बताऊंगी, because I've always wanted to do a negative character.
आग
So,
लगाना.
आग लगाना, you know, just like मीठी चुरी. I've always wanted to do a मीठी चुरी thing.
मीठी छुरी.
मीठी चुरी,
yeah.
always. But I could
It's
never.
fun then when you give into
It's
it.
so fun,
Yeah.
because you know what's crazy is that, yes, the negative characters aren't given depth, but there's so much range of emotions and acting and hair and makeup and all those things
Spice.
and spice that you could kind of add to it, compared to like if you're doing a lead character who is a very demure, mindful, cutesy girl jisko itna margin nahi milta because she has to be poised, but the villain, she's all like, oh,
Gets to have the fun, yeah.
like grab little hands on everything. So like I've always wanted to do like a negative character, and I've never been given the chance. And I feel like when you look at a person, I feel like आपको casting भी इस तरीके से करनी चाहिए कि like, oh, if there's someone who looks really sweet, she should get a sweet character. If there's someone who looks negative, they should get a negative character. I look negative as hell. Listen, I know what I look like, okay? And I know that like, if you give me one of those characters, it's gonna come naturally to me because
Ask for it.
I have, dude. I did one thing, and I was telling Meher in the car, like, I got one like series that I was doing, which I got a negative character in, and it was so perfect because I had to do nothing. I literally had to stand there and be like, I don't like what you're wearing, and it was so easy because I was like, I'm just like that anyway. But it never, वो कभी निकला ही नहीं. You know what I mean? Like बहुत सारे ऐसे projects हैं जो आप यहाँ पे करते हैं जो बहुत अच्छे projects होते हैं.
आज के बाद ये जब release होगा ना, you'll get a
हाँ, मिल
negative.
जाएगा.
Give me a negative character.
We have a director.
Give me a negative character.
You have the nails already.
Yeah, actually, I know that.
So yeah, like space, I think actors को वो देनी चाहिए कि like, put them where you feel like they belong in as in like character wise, I feel like बहुत बस dilly dally करके बस किसी को भी किसी भी character में डाल रहे हैं type माहौल है.
कितनी दफा तो ऐसा होता है availability पे cast होती है,
हाँ,
casting
Like,
होती है
Literally.
अक्सर
कि
उनकी
कल
dates
शूट पे
हैं.
जाना है,
हाँ.
dates
Yeah.
नहीं मिल रही,
Yeah.
तो 4 एक्टर्स को आधी रात को फोन जाएगा कि अवेलेबल हो.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Bad
कितनी
planning.
दफा ऐसा
Bad
हुआ
planning
है
and
कि
like
अच्छा जी ये अवेलेबल है, इसको कर लेते हैं.
Yeah.
अब वो कैसा लग रहा है, उसका क्या होलिया
It
है,
doesn't
उस
matter.
माइंड फ्रेम में है
Yeah.
नहीं है,
Yeah.
उसको करना है नहीं
Yeah.
करना है, उससे तो पूछो स्क्रिप्ट क्या है नहीं पता, बस
नहीं
जी
पता.
हीरो का कैरेक्टर या हीरोइन का कैरेक्टर है,
Yeah.
आप कर लेंगे. ये
Yeah.
ब्रीफ मिलती है
Literally.
basic.
What about the pay structure? Is it like कि उसी तरह के जो मर्द हजरात हैं वो ज़रा ज़्यादा और फीमेल इज इट कम और इज इट
I have
More or
heard
less.
it's the opposite.
ओके
In that way, it is from the acting side. It's more women dominant.
Yeah.
Female actors make better because
They're the
they're more
heroines.
bankable. A lot of products are also sold
Yeah.
wow, like चाहे बाल उनका हो या skin का हो या जो भी हो सारा
Yeah.
कुछ. So it's more female dominated that way.
Hmm.
But I think that's only for the lead ones.
Yeah.
When you come to like support characters or like second support or something, I am not sure how it works actually. I don't know because I've never asked. I've talked about the pay with my close female friends. Never had that discussion with a male friend, so I don't know कि उनका क्या scene है. I don't know, maybe
अच्छा कभी किसी के साथ ऐसा हुआ है
he's
कि आप
married to an
किसी
actor who's a guy.
किसी प्रोडक्शन हाउस के ऑफिस में आप बैठे हो और वो किसी चैनल का ही प्रोडक्शन हाउस हो, और जब आप पैसों की बात करें तो आपसे कहा जाए कि आपको स्क्रीन मिल रही है.
एक और मैं इसमें एक और ऐड करना चाहती हूँ. ओह हम आपको आपके
बहुत शुक्रिया.
हम आपको आपके
मिल गया,
बजट
ले
से
लिया
कम
हमने
पैसे
exposure.
देंगे.
10 साल पहले
We're
ले
gonna
लिया.
give you less money for the budget that you asked, but हम आपको अगले उसमें फिल्म में डालेंगे. And then you're like,
No.
I could do a film,
Yeah.
and then later you realize there's no film. You're
There's
just not
no,
getting
no,
paid
no,
enough.
yeah.
Like
और कितनी दफा ऐसा भी हुआ है कि जब सेट पे गए तो वो कैरेक्टर नहीं है.
वो character
अच्छा,
नहीं
no,
है.
that's
Oh
not-
my god,
What
that's
do you mean
happened.
कि वो कोई और
कि,
No,
जिस
they
कैरेक्टर
flip
की
the
बात हुई थी
characters,
वो
yeah.
कैरेक्टर नहीं है,
Yeah,
और जिस कास्ट की भी बात हुई थी वो कास्ट नहीं. ये तो
Yeah.
फिर बहुत होता है
yeah.
अच्छा.
कि आप अगर पूछ लें कि जी लीड
कौन
पे
कौन है
कौन
वाला?
है और
Yeah.
क्या कास्ट है, तो आपको वैल्यू पता चलती है कि टियर 1
हम्म,
प्रोजेक्ट है, टियर 2 जो भी है, क्या लेवल है प्रोजेक्ट का. सो आपसे जब बात होती है कि जी ये हैं लीड पे और ये नाम है, और आप सेट पे पहुंचते तो पूरी कास्ट ही चेंज
अच्छा.
Yeah.
हाँ. Yes.
कि
yes.
नहीं अब तो ये नहीं, और हम शक्ल देख रहे होते हैं कि
हाँ.
हमने तो इनके मुंह पे साइन किया है, ये क्यों नहीं
Yeah.
है.
Yeah.
सो
Yeah.
ये भी होता
There's
है.
a lot of, like she said, lack of integrity in the industry.
Yeah.
But I also want to answer your question that you had asked a bit before when you mentioned Sarvat and then
Mhm.
after Churels and stuff. So I was in Churels with Sarvat and then it got banned.
What
Then
was the reason? Because I've heard this from a lot of people कि उसके वो या तो threatened हो गए.
well, like I
Pakistani-
said, हमें सुनने को मिला था कि you're showing our ladies doing, swearing and doing all of these untoward things. I don't think that was the
And
reason. I
burqa
think
को
it
आप
was-
लोग बुरा rap दे रहे हो,
हाँ,
whatever. Yeah.
But I think these things end up being a cover for the sort of larger geopolitical kind of thing. It was Z5. It was a, and this is what I was. This is, I think, our biggest mistake is that we think that we are able to afford banning an entire OT platform that's coming. We can't afford that. Our industry is suffering because of that. So it's a bad decision made by people. Either it was like production houses over here, or something political that you're feeling threatened by the entry of but these are serious repercussions that you're having, because we were suddenly, like, I think all actors and directors felt this like, oh, finally we get to make stuff that's a little bit different, and finally budgets bhi aa rahe hain, and fine, Churyas would have never been made if it wasn't for, you know, and it did wonders. We were covered by The Economist. Like, this is not small, you know, for being like taboo breaking, etc. It was good writing, good. Sarvat was a revelation. Yasra, you know, it was a great project. I just acted in a Canadian-Pakistani co-production called The Queen of My Dreams, which premiered at the Toronto Film Festival last year. It played in Canada in March. Now it's playing in the UK, banned in Pakistan.
Oh,
So,
really?
yeah, and it's just a really arbitrary things that you're like, if the people who are making the decisions are going to just keep banning stuff. And I think it's actually just bad business. It's like a competitive thing, but they're not doing it in a way that's actually increasing. And the thing is,
and supporting the whole ecosystem.
that's the thing. You need good competition for the other writers and the other directors to up their game. And for a while, I will venture to say, when ZEE5 came in town, other production houses and channels did start getting a little bit better, because they're paying on time.
Shaking in their boots.
They're actually they're sticking to their schedule. They're paying on time. They're treating their actors right. They're signing contracts with them. We have to do that now. You know, it became
so that's
good.
your answer, that why is content not changing or diversifying or getting better?
Because you're killing the competition.
When
You're
it's happening,
constantly
you're
censoring
trampling it.
And competition is
And do you
always
get
good for
paid
business.
like on time?
For what?
Television.
And what is the
never.
meaning of not getting paid on
Television
time?
never.
Months delay, like
Yeah.
3-4 months delay.
Yeah. Sometimes you don't even get paid the last month of your project.
That's
mean,
why I
didn't at
opted
least.
out of television a while back at my
I've
own
always
detriment.
gotten my pay. No,
What's
nobody's
the
ever-
average? So let's say the project khatam hua, what's in the contract?
Your last
here?
percentage is like maybe never going to come. The
Yeah.
last
Yeah.
percent that you
Yeah.
negotiate, ke chalo, you know.
For me, the average would be like 1 month to 2 months, but then some of them just like delay for like 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. मतलब उनको आप करते रहो.
Yeah.
And ads also, oh my god, ad
Yeah.
money.
Ads is the worst, dude. You have to wait 30 days. No, you have to wait
90 days.
90 days.
90 days, so
to
you
get
have to
90
wait.
तो minimum है ना?
Yeah, but for something that you just did. So you're telling me that I have to work right now and give you my stuff, but you're going to give me my money
Yeah.
later. I
But
don't
what I
care
think
if it's connected
production
to a
में भी
big
ऐसे ही होता है. Let's say if
No,
we
but
do
that's
anything.
bad. That's a bad deal.
Because everywhere in the world, that's not how it works. You get 50%
Yeah.
before you do your work, and then you get 50% after you do your work.
Yeah.
But then, what are we doing here? Because that makes no sense. हम अपना सारा काम और energy और effort लगा रहे हैं, but हमें पैसे आप 90 days के बाद क्यों दे
और
रहे हो?
90
Yeah.
days के बाद भी
Inflation
तब
as
फिर
well,
वो
like-
follow
90
करते
days
रहो.
के बाद
And
भी
पैसे
interest,
भी तो-
interest,
Otherwise
by
you're
the way,
never
they're
gonna
banking
get
on the
it.
interest
Yeah.
by keeping it for 3
मेरे
months.
साथ अभी हुआ है, there was an ad, वो 6 महीने गुजर गए. I tried to involve a lawyer and I told them I'm involving a lawyer. मुझे आगे से कहते हैं बेटा lawyer क्या करेगा? ये तो हम
Wow.
कर ही देंगे
But
दोस्ती में ऐसे
But was
कोई
that
relation नहीं
an
खराब.
agency or a brand directly?
Nah,
Because you
the
work
talent
through-
agency was like कि हम तो बोल के इनको थक गए
हो
हैं.
गया.
अगर आपको भी अपनी तरफ से देखना है तो आप कर लें. तो फिर मैंने प्रोडक्शन को डायरेक्टली मैसेज किया, तो उन्होंने फिर ये कहा है. I think the talent agency here was not at fault, because they did send me screenshots of their emails and everything that they were reaching to the finance department of the production. But the production, it's like notoriously doing this with everybody.
Was the production house blaming it on the brand?
No.
It was just actually the production house.
They
just
did not
delaying it.
say anything on that. They're just like, oh, we're trying to do it. हमारे और भी बहुत सारे because वो उनसे तो ले लेते हैं और वो आगे अपनी next ad बना लेते हैं.
Yeah.
वो हमें नहीं देते. फिर वो उस ad के बाद 10 और ad जब बना के उनका profits भी gather कर लेंगे ना, तब वो फिर देना शुरू करते हैं मेरा.
रोलिंग का तरीका is awful.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
और आप लोगों ने जब शुरू किया कैरियर, सबसे पहली क्या पेचेक था? Or like a per day rate?
6,000 per day.
Wow. And the year is?
2016
Wow. 6,000 a day.
a day.
I can't remember. It was 2013, but I can't remember.
और मेरा
actually.
पहला कमर्शियल था was 25,000.
हाँ, मेरा भी ऐसे कुछ है.
Wow.
मेरा commercial पहला 25K था, and I think I don't remember my drama thing, but I do remember कि उस वक्त मैं lead करी थी, तो मुझे थोड़े से monies मिल रहे थे, but
But per day, what was that?
I
Like-
don't remember. My mom does all that shit.
Okay.
Yes, Nepo baby vibes, but like, yeah.
No, you know what was yours?
When I first started, it was, I think, around 10 per day.
So it's not a rewarding work.
For a 12-hour shift.
Yeah.
And that's what I was
It's-
telling Meher. I was like, we're not gonna get no Oscars for this. We're not gonna get anything out of this. Matlab,
I think for television, and I opted out of it a long time ago because of the integrity and the toxicity that they were talking about. And I knew that I was doing at a detriment to my career as an actor, because in Pakistan you have to be on television. There's just not enough film and theatre going on. मुझे खलती थी like ये जो excuses बनते थे payment के, and then you can see that that person's getting paid, and you, at the end I was like, I'd rather be a librarian, but I don't have the patience and the sabr in me to allow this to happen. And then I would even tell my actor friends who are much bigger actors than me, yeah, you guys go through this, and the production house is saying, they're like, we wait 6 months and hum to pagal ho jate. I said, but you just met the guy who owns a production house at the red carpet yesterday. Didn't you say, yo, where's my money? And they're like, you know what he said to me? यार तुम लोग कितने भूखे अपने checks के लिए. There was fire coming out of my eyes. I said, नहीं मैं नहीं कर सकती, मैं पागल हो जाऊंगी, मैं
they
मार
make
दूंगी
you
किसी को.
literally like beg for your money.
yeah,
which is
but the
so
thing is,
embarrassing.
Exactly. And some people handle it much better, and they compartmentalize it, and they're like, well, no, we'll negotiate our last percentage such that we know that we're not going to expect to get it. But I will say with that, you get eyeballs. So when you are doing television, then your visibility is just a lot
Forgotten.
more. Then you can command more in commercials.
Yeah.
Then you can, when you're, an influencer on Instagram, you can get brands and stuff too. So that is another way to build it just really depends on your own personality and your temperament. Can you deal with this for for other commercial then? Because you will have more commerciality and commercial viability if you're on television, because you're seen by more eyeballs.
So basically, you
simply
need to
that.
build a side business.
Yeah.
So you are doing an influencer wala bit. You are thinking.
I'm thinking about something else. Yeah, I should probably do something else too.
और वो दोनों चीजें एक दूसरे को फिर सपोर्ट कर रही होती हैं eventually. अगर आप
बिल्कुल.
यहाँ से grow कर रहे हो तो probably वो it's a vice versa.
Yeah, for sure.
Lastly, I think you also mentioned initially about royalties. So let's say आपने ड्रामा बना लिया, you don't know viral हुआ नहीं हुआ, उसी को फिर आप इंडिया को भी बेच दिया, आपने बाहर भी बेच दिया, आपने एयरलाइंस को भी दे दिया. YouTube views
से कितना रेवेन्यू जनरेट हो रहा है, हमें कुछ नहीं मिलता.
But there is like zero.
No, we don't get anything.
What was your question?
So
we're talking
royalties
about
royalties.
I see. Oh, our industry is far away from
Yeah,
royalties.
it doesn't. I don't think they
Union
know.
भी नहीं है, actors union. मतलब there's been
There is
pockets
no
of
union?
it.
Act
Act है,
इतना फंक्शनल नहीं
I
है.
didn't even
हाँ.
know that existed.
हाँ.
Yeah.
So realistically, if I see the market right now, I think we're far away from negotiating royalties. We're not even negotiating good enough pays on the base pay.
Do you think जो बड़े
That is all
actors हैं वो लोग भी नहीं इसके ऊपर कुछ कर रहे हैं?
शायद
People have
maybe.
spoken out. People have spoken out, but
अच्छा,
It's just
कमर्शियल्स
not-
और ब्रांड्स में ये हो गया है.
Yeah.
अगर वो रीरन करते हैं तो वो आपको रॉयल्टी भी देते हैं और आपसे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट भी रिन्यू करवाते हैं. ये अब शुरू हो
But that's
गया
हाँ,
because that's the
commercial.
new
लेकिन commercials
generation
में हो
now.
गया है.
That's
Yeah.
the new
Brands और
generation
commercials
that's like
में.
kind of doing all of that. But the drama industry is so dominated by the older generation because they're all stuck there. हम उनको जाके बोलेंगे royalties, are gonna be like, what are you even talking about? So
कल के बच्चे हमें क्या सिखाएंगे?
Yeah.
exactly, yeah, yeah.
and since the A-listers are not demanding it either, they just get a huge chunk of money in the
Yeah.
beginning.
Yeah.
Which is fine, but it's still not going to be equal to what you would have gotten if, let's say, your royalty would have been agreed upon, and then वो जिंदगी भर एक आपको छोटी amount ही ठीक है हो जो भी हो, but there's some security because there are actors who've gotten old and they have given years and years of service to the industry. Naila Jafri, I think she got cancer and then she didn't have enough money to even pay for her treatment.
मेहदी हसन साहब.
There are many examples like that. Some comedians as well recently that, yeah. लेकिन फिर हम लोग कोई पूछता भी नहीं है और we just lose these people. अगर royalties होती तो कुछ तो होता ना, because obviously acting is the kind of work that you lose your physical energy by your age. आप 50, 60, 70 के बाद आप तब भी कर रहे होते हैं. There are actors, समीना अहमद हैं, बहुत सारे मंदिर सहवाई वगैरह, they're working, but they can't work as much and they can't work for as long.
Sustainability नहीं
Yeah.
है ना. There's no sustainability in like your money. Like you've done something, but like आपको वापस नहीं मिल रहा है और फिर आपको सालों तक वापस नहीं मिल रहा है. Singers का ये scene है कि if you use a song of theirs, they will take royalties and they take a lot of royalties. So they're constantly getting money regardless. The same thing should be applied for actors over here at least, which I don't know if it's going to ever be, but like होना चाहिए.
Because with the union, then you get health benefit, because it's an irregular, it's not a corporate job. You're not getting benefits. So unions, the point of unions that happen abroad and stuff is that so that there is a case to be made for health insurance, and
Yeah.
dental insurance, and things that are
Exactly.
important.
Yeah.
तो वो भी नहीं है.
Have you guys ever?
रॉयल्टीज के इशू पे जो एक यूनियन एक्ट वगैरह है जिसके कुछ आई थिंक एक अनदर है जो उमर राना हु इज हेडिंग इट आई हैड अ चैट अबाउट इट विद हिम ही इज लाइक एंड इट्स ट्रू वो ये वाला स्टेप तो इनिशिएट कर ही नहीं सकते रॉयल्टीज का बिकॉज एज होल एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री इज नॉट formally recognized as an industry in this country. The government has not recognized the industry.
Yeah.
And there are no regulations and protections and standard operating procedures that are government approved. यानी कि कल को कोई मर गया सेट पे या कुछ भी और हो गया there is no insurance नहीं ये ओवर लुकिंग बॉडी नहीं कुछ भी नहीं है सो वो एक अलग मसला जब कोई वहाँ से रिकग्निशन होती है नेशनली तो फिर बाकी चीज़ें उसको फॉलो करेंगी ना बाकी यूनियंस और बाकी इंस्टीट्यूट उसको फॉलो करेंगे वो है नहीं
Have you guys ever thought of leaving Pakistan?
Yes.
yes
Okay.
Yes.
बहुत
Yeah.
You are here and there.
Here and there.
I was living in Canada long enough during my bachelor's that I got citizenship. So I moved back in 2000. This is self-inflicted torture because I love our talent here. There is something that I adore about our talent. I love our stories. I mean, look at the people on this table with me. They're supreme. There's so much potential over here. I don't know how long that's gonna last because, like I said, when I started out, there was like we were going here. 2012 onwards, Var bhi us waqt aayi thi, Zinda Bhag,
Yeah.
Zee Zindagi pe. Then our dramas were we were like going here, and then somewhere along the way, YouTube ban. Then somewhere along the way, the Pakistan India.
Yeah.
Then somewhere along the way, more censorship. Then banning of and then the country generally. So I don't know how long I can last on that hope that, our talent is so good. People are dying to... What gives me hope is that there have been pockets of let's look at the last 3 years. Maula Jat, Joyland, Churels.
Yeah.
These were
Berserk.
outliers. They shouldn't be outliers though, right? They should be we should start getting mainstream about it. So I hope that it converges. I hope that the industry matches the talent that we have, because then it's amazing. That's why I'm here. Otherwise, maybe it's time to go.
You want to leave, right?
I won't be leaving because of my own personal reasons. वरना मुझे honestly पता नहीं ये कहना चाहिए या नहीं कहना चाहिए. मुझे अगर मौका हो और दस्तूर हो तो मैं कल चली जाऊँ. क्योंकि मेरे ऊपर एक पॉइंट ऐसा आया था कि ये सीन हो गया था कि यार मुझसे मैं नहीं रह सकती यहाँ पर. क्योंकि जो हमारी बेसिक नेसेसिटीज़ हैं वो जब लग्जरीज में चेंज होते हुए देखी ना मैंने कहा यार यहाँ तो और मैं क्योंकि एक माँ भी हूँ मेरा एक बच्चा भी है सो अब उसके लिए टेंशन होती है कि कैसे होगा. हमने तो एक तरह से आधी जिंदगी गुजार लिया तो अब आगे की जनरेशन का क्या करना है. वो कैसे इस माहौल में इस सोसाइटी में इन मसलों में कैसे बड़ा होगा. सो एक शदीद मेरा एक लो पॉइंट मैंने हिट किया था कि भाई यहाँ से तो निकलना पड़ेगा कुछ करना पड़ेगा. और मैं बहुत सीरियस भी हो गई थी इस मामले में. लेकिन फिर आसपास लोगों से बात करना चीज़ें करियर वाइज चीज़ें थोड़ी सी बेहतर नज़र आनी थोड़ी सी पॉजिटिविटी नज़र आई. उस वक्त एक अजीब सी बात है पता नहीं क्लिक करे नहीं करे कोक स्टूडियो आया. और कोक स्टूडियो जब आया तो अजीब वियर्ड सी बात है वो देख के वो पूरा सीजन देख के मेरा पूरा फेथ रिवाइव हो गया पाकिस्तानी टैलेंट पे. एंड आई स्पोक टू जुल्फी भाई अबाउट इट कि मैं थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस. मैं भाग रही थी पाकिस्तान से कोक स्टूडियो देख के मैं रुकी हूँ कि नहीं यार कुछ है यहाँ पे. और एक लंबी मेरी उनसे डिस्कशन हुई और उन्होंने यही सिखाया कि उम्मीद नहीं छोड़नी किसी भी तरह की. यहाँ बहुत टैलेंट है और एक ना एक दिन जो कर रही है वो करती रहो. एक ना एक दिन ऐसा वक्त आएगा कि इंशाल्लाह जो डिज़र्व करता है जो उसको वो मिलेगा. सो अगर मैंने ये होप छोड़ दी होती पाकिस्तानी टैलेंट पर इसके पोटेंशियल पे तो शायद ये इस तरह के 2-3 सीजन्स बाहर नहीं आते जो कि सच बात है. कैसा कैसा टैलेंट हमारे सामने आया और वो दुनिया फाड़ के निकल गया. सो ये एक चीज़ थी जो मैंने कहा कि यार नहीं है अभी है होप भी है टैलेंट भी है पोटेंशियल भी है और प्लेटफॉर्म मिल रहा है. सो या दिस इज हाउ इट वर्क फॉर मी.
So आपके पास तो नेशनलिटी है और आपके
आप
पास
तो कभी भी जा सकते.
I won't lie.
I feel like the
luxury.
only reason that I kind of want to leave and maybe do something bahar, whether it's acting, modeling, or singing, whatever it is. This is why I have 3 careers, so that I'm constantly in rotation of one of the other. But मेरा point सारा ये था निकलने का was because मुझे लगता है कि हम पाकिस्तान में ना एक बबल में फंस गए हैं और मेरी ऑडियंस में नहीं चाहती कि सिर्फ पाकिस्तान हो. मैं चाहती हूँ कि it's the rest of the world, and I want to be able to explore it because there's so much out there. यहाँ पे भी है, and obviously, like you guys said, like there's so much potential and there's so much talent. But then with all of the things that we just spoke about, which is the ban and the censorship and the constantly like the economy, the money, all of it, like there's too many reasons for me to not stay. So now I'm like, okay, I want to leave because I feel like the world can be my oyster. So when I think of it as like a very personal thing, I'm like, पूरी दुनिया है, मैं कहीं भी जा सकती हूँ और मैं कहीं भी ये चीज कर सकती हूँ because that's all I know. I can't have a big job in the sense of like, oh, okay, I would love to be a waitress somewhere, honestly. But the thing is to get out and to look for that opportunity elsewhere because यहाँ पे मैंने इतना try किया, and all of us have. It's just not getting me anywhere where I feel like my career should have been like maybe 5 years ago. I feel like there's a lot of potential, but maybe I'm a little bit, my vision is distorted and I can't see it personally. So yeah, as a young person, like I just can't,
Noreen को existential crisis में डाल दिया.
I'm so sorry.
No, I was looking at her and I was like, yeah, you could be a singer, like with an Amy Winehouse kind of situation
So
going
that's
on.
literally my whole style. That's literally,
That's what I was thinking.
So I'm trying to sing jazz as well, but मुझे पता है कि यहाँ पे jazz नहीं चलेगा because यहाँ पे jazz लोगों को समझ में नहीं आएगा, उनके दिमाग में PC music चलेगा.
नहीं ना, आप करो तो.
मैं करना चाहती हूँ, तो मैंने उर्दू में jazz music अपना निकाला है. I mean, I'm coming.
उर्दू में?
Yes.
Okay.
It's very इंतहा हो गई इंतजार की. It's very that vibe. So I'm trying to bring that back here. मुझे अगर कुछ करना भी है पाकिस्तान में, I don't want to conform to the norms. I want to do something that's different.
And no one's doing it.
And no one's doing
gonna
it.
work.
Yeah, and I want to bring in this like otherworldly thing कि like okay, हम अपनी bubble के अलावा और भी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो हम explore कर सकते हैं. I look around me and I'm like, why are people not playing around with their creativity, whether it's in fashion, whether it's in music, whether it's in acting, whether it's in anything? I see potential in people where they have so much room to be creative. And all the women sitting here, you guys are insanely creative and I love seeing that. I just wish other people were also itna mentally resilient to be able to be like, yeah, I have this creativity and I want to show it to the world and I want to bring it, and I want the rest of the world to see it and not just Pakistan.
I think a hybrid model is nice, where you can stay here for a few months and work, and then
Here and there.
and then also work bahar bhi, and then also because living bahar is like good for your soul.
It
You
is.
can walk on the streets and not
Literally,
like
yeah.
Clean air. You can't
Economy, guys. Straight up economy, dude. Our
you can
economy is so
dance
bad.
on the streets and no one's gonna judge you.
Literally,
You
yeah.
can make friends easily. You can like mingle. We don't have spaces to mingle here. We don't have
Public
like
spaces.
The community, there's
safe
no,
public spaces. कोई community building की चीज नहीं है. वो हम यहाँ पे कर सकते हैं. We can actually try.
अगर हमें
for
करने
that.
दिया जाए.
अगर हमें करने दिया जाए ना, और लोग बाहर कोई आके आपको जो है वो लड़ना ना शुरू हो जाए रास्ते पे आपसे. But then I do love a lot of things about that. I love the language. I don't want to have like Urdu cut out from my life entirely.
Of course,
नहीं
yeah,
चाहिए. I
definitely.
want to have Urdu in my life. And then also I love the people. I've lived abroad as well. And there are people who are really nice. झूठ नहीं बोलते वो लोग.
Yeah.
But the kind of अपनायत that I feel here from our people, वो मुझे वहाँ पे उस वक्त बहुत मिस हुई थी. I was craving it.
Yeah.
तो I think a hybrid situation where parents की फिर retirement का भी सोचती हूँ मैं, and I want to give them like a nice place जहाँ पे green हो and they can go out and feel safe, walk कर सकें, घर में बंद ना हो.
बिल्कुल.
So, and a lot of actors do it.
Yeah.
They work here and not just work here and there, they live there, but then they come here and work. और आराम से 3-4 projects करते हैं, फिर बाकी time सर्दियों में जो है वो अच्छे मौसम में वहाँ होते हैं, सर्दियों में यहाँ.
I did have the option. I mean, after especially Queen of My Dreams premiered, and there was another project at TIFF. So I've been going and scoping out the scene, and because Canada, there's a lot of activity happening over there in terms of film. But when I go there, I was like, these are not my stories. I don't have that immigrant story. And then you do have to also fit into that diversity box. आप इस immigration के बारे में, इसके बारे में, उसके बारे में, वो फिर stories आगे बढ़. So I was like, man, if I'm to stay true to myself right now, I love our talent. We have a lot of soul in our stories and in the people, and you know, and we identify with it and we're familiar. So I'm like, right now it's not pulling me because those aren't my stories yet. But yeah, when people talk about clean air and you know, the freedom to walk, and these are also things that you have to think about, and that age of creativity also.
I think मैंने तो पाकिस्तान में रहने का जो फॉर्मूला ना, it's a gratitude and contentment. आप इसकी बस दुआ करें तो आप you know, that's the most important thing.
Yeah, you have to be a bit stoic
You
and
know,
a bit like.
और वो इलामा इकबाल ने मुझे कहा था ना कि पवस्ता रहे शजर से उम्मीदें बाहर रख. So एक उम्मीद ही है जो आप obviously, that's also very important.
Yes, and let's be real, we're all very privileged sitting on this table, everybody in this room right now. So there comes a little sense of responsibility, a bit of that, like, come on, okay, you push the envelope, you push the envelope.
थोड़ा
I have to push it a bit,
self-sabotage
you
भी
know.
है. We do have like a perverse sense of humor that's making us stay here. क्योंकि I mean, it is dark overall. और बहुत चीजें आप नहीं भी कर सकते, बहुत चीजें आप बोल नहीं सकते, बहुत stories आप नहीं बता सकते.
But there's an interesting, like with the play, for example, also, like I find sometimes with censorship, and we're like, oh, everything is so, but sometimes that forces you to be more creative than, you know, to talk about things in a very nuanced way when you're not allowed to talk about them.
I
you know,
just
on the
had a
nose.
telefilm come out. It was on taxes and inflation and the poverty situation and how it's getting worse. आप उसको एक क्या कहेंगे, एक छोटे से बॉक्स में तो एक घर की कहानी तो सुना सकते हैं, बट देन आप नहीं डिस्कस कर सकते कि ये हो क्यों रिक्रिएट और ये कौन क्रिएट
The
कर रहा है.
politics behind it.
Yeah, the actual bigger scheme of things and following the money situation, you can't do that here, and that is dark.
I think we'll do it under TCM because I was just telling her when I started, so उसी time I registered TCM Films. So वो तकरीबन 8 साल से पार हुआ है. So eventually I was thinking, I don't know if you've seen Omelette, the YouTube channel. They do like a very short, like 8 to 10 minute pieces around the world.
Cool.
So that was sort of the inspiration. Literally, like एक scene है जो एक film है 8 मिनट की एक कैफे के अंदर. आई थिंक एक अफगान बंदी है जो इंग्लैंड में आई है अपने फियांसे से मिलने, और उसने उसको बुलाया जापानीज़ रेस्टोरेंट, और वो आ गई अपनी ज़रा उसमें अफगानी जो वो है, वो आके बैठ गई, आसपास लोग वो कर रहे हैं और उसको समझ नहीं आ रही, एंड शी इज़ लाइक जस्ट वो एक्सप्रेशंस के साथ पूरी स्टोरी, और वो आता है बैठता है, एंड दैट्स द होल फिल्म.
Their conversation.
हाँ, कि मैं बिजी हूँ, अचानक कॉल आ गई, फिर उसने बात करने लगी और वो देख रहे हैं वहाँ से जापानीज कपल्स उसको देख रहे हैं. आप इट्स जस्ट लाइक, आई डोंट थिंक इट्स too much expensive as such. It's just like
that
how
just
you,
sounds like good writing.
Yeah.
Writing and acting.
Yeah.
I think that's.
So if I'm to say there's like, we have amazing actors, amazing musicians, amazing directors, and no doubt amazing writers. But if you were to ask me, we could use more writers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In the industry. That's the genesis of everything. And then you don't need so much money, which we're always like crying, there's not enough money.
I also think we need
Good writing.
young actors and young writers and new age now.
Right, yeah.
because
Writers are mostly like not young and they're not progressive and they come from like a certain.
वो अपने ज़माने से आ रहे होते हैं ना, तो
certain
हम
सोच.
उनके ज़माने के. The thing is, like, for example, if I want to sit down today and I want to watch a drama, I can't watch a drama because I can't relate to anything. I know a lot of people can, but हमारे demographic के लिए कुछ भी नहीं बना हुआ to watch.
Yeah.
Which is why we resort to watching Netflix.
Yes.
Because हमारे लिए कुछ है ही नहीं relatable. एक दफा जब आया था, which was Churels, I was really excited about it, but I couldn't watch it because it got banned. You know, so this is a constant fear कि अच्छी कोई भी चीज़ आएगी वो फौरन बैन हो जाएगी और हमारे पास एक्चुअली कुछ भी नहीं होगा, और हमारे जो अच्छे राइटर्स भी हैं बेचारे, उनकी राइटिंग भी बैन हो रही है. So there's no way you can win.
Can I ask you three something, because you're from television, like, I mean, you have a lot of experience in television. Do you think right now the stories are by and large catered to a certain demographic, and do you think the young adult demographic is underserved in television?
Yes.
Yeah, are there stories being made that Gen Z's को
I think
target
TV पे
कर
तो
रही
Gen
हैं
Z
या
का
try
कुछ
कर
भी
रही
नहीं
हैं?
चल रहा.
कोई सीन नहीं है.
नहीं, लेकिन मैथ्स में भी Gen Z हैं.
और Gen
और
Z के लिए
वही-
जो भी चीजें हैं ना, Gen Zs हमारे इतने तेज हैं और इतने चीते हैं वो लोग कि they will find Netflix accounts, they're gonna make it, they're gonna find some cool thing on
वो
YouTube
उनका
to
लास्ट
watch.
ऑप्शन भी नहीं होगा देखना.
हाँ,
But okay, let me rephrase my question. Do you think if stuff was made for them, then they would watch Pakistani
Yes,
content?
I feel
Why
like they
not?
would.
Yes,
But not
Because
on
right
TV, I
now,
think.
On
Not-
TV.
Well, you see,
I feel
TV
like they
stuff is
will.
now going on
Us
YouTube
taraf.
anyway.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I think
was
that
a part of a project जिसको Gen Z ने देखा था.
कौन सा?
It involved खुशाल and Dananeer. वो Gen Z ही दोनों हैं. I think Dananeer तो definitely Gen Z है. That project was seen by a younger audience, but I think उसमें भी the younger audience is of a certain social class.
Yes,
And
Which
it's
absolutely.
I think kids who do not necessarily go to like A levels, O level schools.
Okay.
And they're not English medium educated. I'm
That-
not
which is-
sure.
that's fine.
हाँ, that's
Yeah.
because मैंने research तो नहीं किया, but then उनको जितना उससे मकबूलियत मिली दोनों को, and the reels and the comments and social media users, you know, the appreciation these people got, it was a hit. It was a hit, and it just got the award as well. The director got an award
what's
for
the
it.
name of the?
Mohabbat Gumshuda Meri.
Okay.
And it was like basically a desi Romeo and Juliet situation where two people are in love and the families are not allowing it, and बच्चे हैं college जाते हुए. Done a lot of times, but with fresh faces.
Yeah.
यही हमारा content basically is the same content with fresh faces. Same scripts get repeated, नाम change कर देते हैं. But that had a fusion, yeah.
Like in storylines are not getting targeting, like you right now you're talking about the actors being from the Gen
Yeah,
Z
it was just
generations.
showing those protagonists were young lovers.
Okay.
Just like Romeo and Juliet.
But are storylines changing?
No,
No.
they're not.
No.
Not at all.
They're not talking about like they're not even going to talk about like like female friendships. I feel like that's something that we don't talk about. I feel they're not talking about mental issues that people
The
are
writers
facing.
don't have this
They don't.
level to
उनको
do
पता
it.
ही
Like
नहीं है. Yeah.
even the politician character जो मैंने अभी बात की थी,
Yeah.
it was written so flat, and I was
Yeah.
having a discussion about it with the director. And obviously, it's very clear that the writer had no insight into the political world.
Absolutely.
वो politician भी जो है वो personal life में ही वो साजिशें कर रही थी. मतलब उसकी जिंदगी में भाई मुल्क कैसे चलाना है, मसले क्या हैं, उसकी एक उन सब के डायनामिक्स को वो टच ही नहीं करते बिकॉज राइटर्स का स्कोप नहीं है ना,
उनको पता ही नहीं है ना.
एक्सपोजर ही नहीं है.
Yeah.
वो ये
घरेलू पॉलिटिशियन लिखा था.
वो चीज़ मुश्किल है. ये चीज़ मुश्किल है. इस चीज़ के लिए रिसर्च करनी पड़ती है, टाइम बहुत देना पड़ता है, आपकी एक खुद
Maybe
की
even go
लेवल
and
होनी
talk to
चाहिए
politicians.
intellectual.
Yeah,
Like,
100%.
I mean,
I remember when I made my first film, and it was sort of the big cinema owners and the gatekeepers of the industry were saying कि ये Pakistan ये बहुत art house है. It's not art house. It's not like a good art film or something like that. It's just not a Bollywood नाच गाना वाला. But they were like ये audiences को समझ में नहीं आएगी, and that's the problem. We think our audiences are too dumb to understand.
They watch Netflix
Things.
too.
Yeah.
नेटफ्लिक्स से सारी दुनिया का कंटेंट कंज्यूम कर रहे
Exactly.
हैं.
So the gatekeeper
Yeah.
saying
समझ
कि
नहीं
यही
आएगा.
storyline चलेंगी, you're like ये बहुत पुरानी कहानी है, अब आगे बढ़ने से. Yeah.
Well, ladies, thank you so much for taking the time out. I know there's so many topics, but I think आज की नशिस्त के लिए we have
Thank you
covered
so
a
much
lot.
for having
It's
us. I
lovely
had a
talking
great
to you all.
time.
I didn't realize, I think initially कि इतनी मजे की conversation होगी because बड़े different किस्म का आप सारों का I think background है. It's lovely talking to you all.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having
And
us.
having us together.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, thank you.
Great
Thank you.
discussion.